Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Mars, big up yourself. Long day in the Bahamas, large up yourself.
Tambourine and praise the Almighty Father.
All England, man, big up on yourself.
Let's go.
Ricky Sniper. Blessed, large up, Messiah. Michelle 77, large up. Robert Thompson, big up yourself. CBS man, them case, mad something. Jacine.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
A woman born her man. And the man find out. And she said she beg forgiveness because she not going to do it again. And the man say, well, if you come back in this thing, you know, you have to do something I always want you to do and you know want to do. That's the only way I take you back. And she said, all right, she would do it. And she do it. And end up at hospital, admit to hospital. Because when she admit, the doctor them say the damage wrong there, so. And the doctor them must conclude, say, I know one part of the human body did go around there, so. And she never did one up front with the thing and whatever. I mean, I don't know what the protocol is, but the doctor them go report it and say, them look like somebody abuse her. And police go get involved. Because the doctor them report it. Because the doctor them say, round there's some mash up. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's serious. It's serious. We know it's serious. It's serious. It's serious. It's serious. You know, somebody said that is protocol. I know, like, if the doctor think, like, you know, child abuse or something, whatever, them supposed to, but based on what wrong that happened wrong there, so run her back wrong there, so the doctor them I said, nah man, I don't know. People them a get freaky, so somebody, whatever, and we shall respond, she never want, you know. So whatever, me don't know what this, but the doctor then go report it, and the police them come now. And I say, well, go on. Where you abused it, somebody, you know. And that's what she tell the police them the full 100 and thing. So the police them ask her, like, so what I want to use around here? She said, no, I feel something to use. And the police them say, you sure you did acquiesce to it? And she said, yeah, me did acquiesce to it. And him say, you acquiesce to this, you agree to this, so if him take you back in a relationship. And she said, yeah, she agreed to it and thing and whatever. The police them say, okay, if you say so. So them make you do one statement, something, like whatever, some statement that she have to sign after it, so that she tell them and thing and whatever. And supposedly, after that, when she talked to the doctor, then the doctor them say, you know, them did have to do it, them have to do it, them never know and whatever, man. It just look unusual, you know. And she said, even though she did do that now, if we get back in a relationship, she said she don't think she's gonna go back in a relationship. Yo, I don't know what I'm saying there. So me want man me. Michelle H, me don't know what that mean. So me want man me. What that mean? Eh? I don't know how I want to go on this, you know. You know, Jamaicans have a thing where say, yo, if we don't see people with them things and whatever, leave them because we don't know what them go through, forget it, you know. Yeah, man, I serious thing that, man. And then you see how some people, them there with somebody and whatever, and you think, say, boy, them get a good catch and whatever. And you don't know where them go through, forget that person there, you know. Worse if the person is a indie man, you know, I don't know, hard to get person or whatever and thing like that. I whatever, me no know. But again, she born her man. The man find out and I run her away. And she beg forgiveness. And the man at the end, the man say, all right, if you want me forgive you, you have to do that something that when me want to do. Long time I don't want to do it. And she go agree to the something there. And the man turn her around and must say, shell her out, billions. Whatever I'm do to her and thing, goods end up in the ER. Whatever I'm do to her, when the doctor them look wrong there, so the doctor them say, nah, man, I no regular sitting of this, you know. Oh, blessed, I said, I'm not do it. Don't do it here, blessed. Don't do it. And the doctor them look, the doctor, whatever happened to her, hey, you know, say, some mash up, something must reach her, you know. For the doctor, remember I said the doctor, them something are nothing strange to them, you know. Them something are nothing strange to them. And even if some damage going down there, they must say something different, man, for go conclude, say, no, sir, I can't a regular. I can't a regular. I would have... Something I say, AI. And the doctor them said, no man, I don't know regular something this, that the doctor them call police. Not because the doctor them did ask her, I want me, but it look like she never want to give them the 100 and tell them I want me, you know. I know, I don't know, probably a response and thing, the doctor them I say, no, this not look right and thing, and go so, bams, now call the police and say, if you come check out this, you know, because it look like somebody do that woman or something. So, something criminal could have occurred. And the police them come and she tell the police them the truth. And she say she agreed to it. The man never roll her and put nothing else in her. And she say a theme something him use. And thing, but I mash her up around there, some man. And at the end she say she don't think she go stay in her relationship. Probably I think and I say, yo, if she stay in her relationship or that, she go, you know what probably go down. A man do it deliberately, you know. A man must deal with whatever I'm doing, you know. He must do it deliberately for mash her up, you know, because she burn him down. Yeah, I could have something like that, you know. Like him go to him way for really hurt her. Because however the doctor them say, it must be really, really bad. You know, it must be really terrible. Because you know, say doctor them see the something them, you know. Them see the something them all the way. It's hard for you shock the doctor them with them something. Them see them thing, all kind of something come at them, you know. Yeah, Michelle H, you're probably right, you know. Probably a donkey length the dog I work with, you know. Probably a donkey length the general I work with and thing, and you know. People look where Pila right. Pila excellent right. Pila excellent said the butter churner. The butter churner, I never hear that one day. And of course a peanut butter. Ew. Disgusting, no. Yeah, but it have to be peanut butter, it can't be. It have to be peanut butter, it have to be peanut butter, it can't be nada butter, peanut butter. You know, if a butter churn a peanut butter and thing, right? But goods go through it though. Goods go through it, ER, FR and all these things, you know. Sandra, big up yourself, you know. Lanoy, me see you, boo. Sir Jojo, you see it. Tishorn Ali, big up yourself. Sandra said she walking. You know walking or nothing, you know, Sandra. You know walking or nothing. You're just scrolling or something. You know what I'm saying? So I go on, people. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. Janet Brown, good night, good night, good night, good night, people, good night. All right, as usual, I'm not calling with whatever mix up on the app, but we have a little thing where I'm curious about, you know. Nowadays, how man left woman and how woman left man. What are some of the things man do for left woman, and what are some of the things woman do for left man? Right? Call him with any mix-up on have, you know. Call him with any mix-up. But if any of you have any interesting mix-up or information along the lines of what are some of the things, Christina said, what you mean? What people do when them a leave, when them want left somebody, what are some of it sounds simply enough, but you'd be surprised some crazy thing what people do just for left somebody. So if somebody in a relationship, what are some of the things them do to come out of the relationship when them want to come out, you know? Well, blessed say cheat. Well, that is obvious. Me talk like, you see that's something that like make quarrel, ghost, and thing, you know? Because that woman I tell me about a man who left her and thing, and the things that the man do to her and whatever, just for left her, you know? But he make she left, he want she for left her. He make she left him. Somebody said, well, I'm just not left her and thing, and she said, no, you know what? Well, hey, you know, say have people, women are guilty of this most of the time. Women, what I'm about to say, women are guilty of it most of the time. You know, say enough man end up left woman and I know say the woman lead him for leave her. For whatever reason, you know. Very often woman, you have some woman based on the nature of the relationship and who know when whatever. Sometimes woman don't want it to be say them left, you know. You know, some people, for them thing is, no, nobody no left me, and me left people. Nobody never left me yet, and me left people. Okay, fine. But you have some people do, them no want it on the record, say, them left. So them will set up some look for you leave. And that's a big up, right? For you leave, for, you know, for make you look like the bad person when them really want you to leave, you know, because them want left and thing, but them not want it be say, them do it, you know. So if I don't have anything along them lines, anybody have some creative way where them left a relationship and thing or whatever. Now let pick up yourself and thing, yeah. Give you a look a shout and make us see what I'm going, all right? Seeing? And then pan the rail and I don't know where you go. I keep back and easy, you know. Ladies, if you have a retail store, particularly a store where sell clothes or shoes, and everybody in this store know your name and know you personally as a customer, you have a problem. You have a problem and you need to get some help. Ladies, Masha good as Shida. If there is a retail store where sell shoes or clothes, and everybody in the store know you like a regular customer, them know you by name, and when you come in, you're like family. You have a problem. You have a problem. You have a problem. And go check it out. You have a problem. You have a serious problem. Well, Amazon no count. Amazon no count. We are talking a retail store, a shoe store, or a clothes store. Mama V, you see them people out. Mama say, oh, Del Marine said, why? Mama V said, why? No, it's obvious for me I say, you know. But I hear them, but you see you put on the laugh emoji them to about why? Because anybody who says why, then guilty, you know. Then guilty, man. Then guilty, right? It's not cheers. You want to go where everybody knows your name and a bar and a restaurant. You understand? If it's a clothes store or a shoe store and everybody in there know your name, you have a problem. You have a sickness. And you need to go deal with it. Hello?
Good day, Raga. So suppose you are buy from the store for your store. Everybody are gonna know you, yes, cause you did it all the time.
No, that different. If you buy from a store, like a wholesale store for your store, a different something like that. Yeah, because that's your supplier, you know.
I say we are shopper Alec.
No, but that different. If I your supplier, then you know, if it's a wholesale where you buy and sell, then you have an ongoing business that you have to keep. You
That
know,
means I have to go rephrase that question there.
eh?
That means I have to go rephrase that question there then.
No, not really, because I guarantee you that most people get what me did I say. So me attack regular retail store. You hear me say retail, me never say wholesale.
Yeah.
Wholesale different from retail. People buy from wholesale for selling at retail.
So what wrong if we go there everybody know when you young?
Uno sick, uno have a problem. Uno have a problem. Uno sick. Uno sick with it. Uno sick, uno have a problem. Uno a shopaholic. Uno have a medical problem. Uno need to get treatment feed. Uno need to get treatment feed. And you see that's something that too when you go in there, you get that little thing there where you feel like you belong, you know, because everybody know you. There's a psychological element that too where you go back and you appreciate that too, you know. So that's why you keep on and go back to, you know. Uno sick. Uno sick. I hear the interesting thing. You see the woman them who stay so? Uno buy things all the while where uno don't end up wearing. Uno put it down on the yard. Me right.
Somebody else will get it for weird.
You make excuse. What?
Me have two 14-year-olds. So when me not wear them, we wear it.
Well, that kind of different. But say one of the things that intrigue me about you know, woman, I talk about it all a while, you know. When we see something now, we lose on the mind for like a top, you know, or a shoes or whatever, you know. And we just get excited about it and talk enough things about it and I forget it and girl, me get it or I forget it and whatever, this and that. And then we do a thing where we man understand and we put it down and say, make it stay there so me will see until I find something for wear with it. And then 2 years later, rotted this day I me buy it, you know. You know, say me buy it, you know, but at the top, but I never have no top for wear with it. I never have no outfit for fit it and whatever and thing. And look at that, and it's still there. But you know, she say I'm sick. You know, if you say that is a sickness.
My thing is this. Me buy the thing. I say me buy it because wait now. If me not want it now, me go want it next week. So me buy it till when next week come, me will want it. Love me.
Jeez, yo, say what you just say. And listen to yourself. Repeat what you just say, you know.
No, me not repeat it. And it's a female.
Well, me, I'm going to repeat it. I've never heard shit like that what you just said. No, wait.
One day come in, Andy, you know. One day
No. And that you say, you know. And that you say a while ago. And that you say a while ago. Let me repeat what you say a while ago. And I may tell you, say, this is evidence. Say you have a sickness. Can I repeat what you say, you know? A while ago, you say, you will buy something where you don't want right now because in the future you're going to want it.
Yeah.
I wonder if you realize how that deep. That's some deep. You buy something where you don't. You can imagine. Okay. Watch out. This is something I don't want it. I don't want this at all, you know.
No.
Well, me act. Low me act me there Hollywood. I don't want this at all, you know. This me don't want this at all, but you know what? I go buy it because next week me will want it. But me don't want it. No. Yeah, me no want it now. The next month me go buy car. Me not like it now, so me no want it now. But next month me go like it next month. So me go buy it for next month. So me buy it from now. Cause even though me not want it now, me know say me go want it next month. So me go like it next month. So me go want it next. You know, she say your head touch. Eh? Eh? Look like a credit done. Look like our credit done. See it there? Kalila, that's something then. And you know, so they really do it with you. You really do it, you know. Say, me not no use for this now, but it just sounds so weird. Me not no use for this now, you know. And there's nothing really when me not no use for it. Me don't know when me go wear it go. Me no want it, me no feel for it, but me don't want it in my future, so me go buy it. Me go buy it, because me go want it in my future. Me don't know your time, because I just know some me don't want it now, but me go want it in my future. Me buy it, and people not just sitting around with that. Yeah. Wanna do that something there. Yeah. Ladies, wanna do that. Men do it too, you know, but men hardly do it. Wanna buy something. And then wanna reach home. Yo, wanna weird, you know? Wanna think we weird, you know? You know, I say, woman, we spend all our hour in a department store, clothes store, figure out what them want wear and all kind of sitting and then and get excited about something and buy something. And by the time them reach home and I look on the something in a them house, you know. Them will hate it, you know. Them will hate the something when them love and buy, you know. And just somehow when them a look on it in a them house now, them will just hate it and be like, who am I buy this from? I don't even like. What? See, that's now and I say, yes, we do. Weird, you know. See there, Latisha said, true. Miss Bless said, exactly. Dr. Max said, true. Cole said, where me buy this for? Ellie said she buy red bottom shoes up 4 years down and I know she no weird. People may tell her, say, you know, want to enjoy. Right? Let me tell you, I want to enjoy. Somebody it's obvious to me, we can enjoy a good sale. Right? But somehow, there's an addiction there we want to have where it's like if a good sale are going, you have to get something, even if you don't need anything. So you're addicted to the acquiring. Right? You're addicted to shopping. It make you feel good. When you get an adrenaline rush. The part of the brain for pleasure where the frontal lobe sitting there and thing when you get a high from it. And what happens, you know, as with all addiction, you know, you see once you get your fix and it shoot up, you see after I shoot up, it come back down, you know. And that I go on with it. That's why when I go home and think when I like get sitting around, they get a high from in the acquiring of the thing, in the obtaining, that whole process, you know, of shopping. Now for no depressed and no down and nothing now, you know, going good for now in life and thing. And when I want to feel better, I go shopping. Talk the truth. Don't you not do that? Don't you not do that? Sometimes when you feel down and all them something, that you know want to look at high. You want to look at I want to go shopping. And when you do them something there, go shopping for psychological reasons, not material reasons, because you're not like, it's not materially you need this thing. And you experience that high and you feel better and thing. And then when you reach home, no reality reach, you're like, well, I really didn't need this object. I just wanted the experience of shopping and acquiring the object or the objects, plural. And then after that, you realize, well, I didn't really need this, you know? But you don't have the deductive capacity to say, yeah, I just wanted the high from the shopping and not the object. You just turn around and start eat the damn shoes, and the shoes never doing nothing, the top never doing nothing, the blouse never doing nothing, the jeans never doing nothing, and this like that. I want to start cussing all a class up his store and all them something there and whatever, and this and that and whatever. Well, no, say on the sickness. Say, Ellie go buy a red bottom boot there. 4 years the boot there, they are dry rotten. Red bottom, Louis. Them not cheap, right? And me can better our man buy it for her. Better our baby father buy it for her. Right? And she go put on the boot there and all the thing there. 4 years, the Louis there, they are dry rotten. You should no, it not dry rotten. You see it? Denial. She said she buy the red bottom for 4 years and put it down. And she said she not wear it all now. And she said, nah, dry rotten. That is her way of saying, no damage, no dip on it. But people think dry rotten and you don't have to see the damage on it for no say dry rotten. And you put on same thing for 4 years and you did it. Right? Raga 6 year. My son is 4. Raga 6, which means, oh, so you buy 2 years before your son born, don't? Yes, man. Una have a sickness. Una no tan, so una have a sickness. And una need for go deal with it. Angie's kitchen said the first time she wear it, it go crumble. No, that the dry rotten thing them do, you know. Yeah. I with sexy bubbles at. I wonder if I see him sexy bubbles. Anyway, brown sugar, what y'all say? What y'all say? Say what y'all say.
No, me I tell her said sometimes me the home and me feel depressed and the only thing maybe can cheer me up is shopping. Yeah, me not lie yo. Me not hide and talk.
Yeah, but it's a process of shopping because you really don't want nothing. You just want to go shopping to feel better, don't you?
Yeah, for real. Me not lie. And then when me go, me say, you know, so me need for buy this, but
what you say when you go home, what?
you know, so me never need for buy this, but it's already there. I'll make use of it one next time.
All right then. So my question.
Sometimes it did sit down and me see I'm gonna forget dust off, dirt off of it because it take up dust.
Jesus.
Honestly, the only thing that can really, you know, lift me up because I don't have friends. I have one friend and she lives in Canada, so I just that.
All right.
I feel good doing it.
Well, is that all right? Let me be careful because me rather you do that when you're depressed than if you go take some substance or go lay yourself careless certain way around people who you don't know like already or whatever and thing like. So me rather you do that. Me rather you do that than if you go do something else.
Guess what? If I don't wear the stuff, the twin them will wear it. So when I have a problem, it not.
Say me hear you say the second time you say that no, you know, but it sounds like you use that as an excuse, doing.
No, I'm not use it as excuse. Trust me, if I don't wear it, the twin them will get it.
No, I don't deny that, but me just I say, buy for you or you buy for your twin them.
I don't know. I just buy it for myself.
You buy it for yourself, and you know your daughter them use out them parents thing in.
I feel relaxed. And the worst thing, them foot, me and them are wear the same size now, so I think that.
One of them wear size 9 too?
Yeah. They're 14-year-old and then foot big like to me.
Them wear size
9 me wear raga.
Huh?
Oh, you know, size 9 me wear raga. I will tell you my business.
Hold on, how long now you listen me?
Years. Jesus,
Well,
I
that,
can't tell you how
well,
long.
but all the time you listen me, you never know, sir. Raga is a good wobia man. You never know that. But you hear the woman a laugh like a joke thing, man.
Me have to go check it then. Come on,
Raga is a good wobia
you.
man. You can't come to me for like not stupid, like not evil thing for do. You can't come to me for getting about the Bigfoot and boasting or for make any woman
No,
front collapse or them something there. Yeah, me not do them
sir.
something there. Me not do them thing there. But if you
Yeah,
want to
listen, it's
pass
that.
exam, eh?
Yeah, listen, it's that.
Yeah, if you want to pass exam, if your chun done, and you want your chun get intelligent, you come talk to me, may help you, whatever. Those are the things I do. Make people pass exam, pass driver's exam and thing, get them
What
papers
about
and
get
something.
visa? What about to get visa?
No, me not do that one there. Me not do that one there. That one there, that one there. Me not do that one there. The one me do.
The big guy,
Yeah, my good word here is the elevated thing. We don't do the full, peck, plaka, something like that, Right? Yeah, man. No, yeah, see, yeah, man. Eh?
One time gone in Raga.
Yeah.
Me used to sleep night time. Me wouldn't go on my bed. Just stay up for listen to Raga one night. My man say, "And you me come in my bed. I listen to Raga tonight. He will kick me out tight."
Oh,
Because every night, but me wouldn't stop so till guess what not? When they say when you can't beat the person you're joining them, and me and him in my bed I laugh now.
wait, was that outada? Was that outada? Or like
Yeah,
regular
man.
Ragashanti life?
Remember when you used to have a show at night?
Yeah,
People call
outada.
in and tell you
Yeah.
stuff. And we sit up on the phone and listen.
No, but I want to know,
And
was
I
it,
laugh.
hold on, was it the
But him never
repeat?
like
Hold
it.
on, yeah, listen me. Was it the repeat of Ragashanti Live or was it outside of the show? Hello? You see our phone go and come in and gone again. Hello?
My internet has stuck, so
Oh, okay.
I mean St. Mary, the signal not so good yeah.
Okay. Now, let me ask you, was it the repeat of Ragashanti Live that you and him used to listen,
No man,
or
no
it
live
was
thing.
it,
Yeah.
it was outside? Was it a sex entertainment talk show?
Yes.
Okay, so it was outside then.
Yes, very rude.
Yeah, well, it was outside. Well, at that you and him did at least talk it through. Then sometime when you listen it and catch our vibes and do so.
That's true, man.
Sure, sure. Well, I know. Yeah, and you know what was the motto for that show there? The motto for that show, it was come for listen for come. Yeah, come for listen for come, man. Yeah, that was it. Those were the days.
If you ever come sitting around with you,
But
think I look like sourpuss.
a Baileys,
Look like
man.
sourpuss.
A water down Baileys. The way I like it. Water down Baileys. I might think that, me is a sipper, me is a chiller,
When you come to Ochi,
Eh?
when you come into Ochi,
I don't know, but Ochi am a place. Well, really exchange, but Ochi am a place, was my favorite place.
I live our right over.
Oh. Where that the near, like,
Yeah,
White River?
Yeah.
The near White River? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then, yeah, man, it was my favorite place to run when I there running from my mother, Ochi was a spot, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But them they did have Sharp Park Gardens, Columbus Heights, Turkle Towers, them places there. Pineapple Place.
Them still there.
Them they still there?
Mm-hmm.
No, remember we had talked about Frank Creamy Corner days, long time, nothing them.
Sharp Park Garden still there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're still there.
Yeah, man.
It may have been nice like them time, but they're still there.
Okay, give thanks, Anyway, big up yourself, you know. Me soon forward to Jamaica, man. Don't worry yourself, you know. But I've only a little excitement and drama going right, you know, and thing. So me soon forward and thing, all right. But big up yourself over there, you know. You understand? And if anybody trouble you, remember Raga the good Obia man, call me. Okay. All right. Yeah, man. I will make that
I
little.
make one video and tell them fit again. I kind of that they want to know when you can't get through to people, you make one video and tag them in it.
Yeah, no for that I go on, though. No for that I go on. All right. Now say a word, man. Blessings and respect. Here.
Yeah, man. Bye.
Yeah, man. Respect. And big up all of my people them down at Jamaica. Be a drama going at Jamaica, you know. Who a class up, who all the money them a come in. Me know say this a go on, you know. Melissa money come in and them not see what the money a spend. How much plane load of this and that come and them say the thing them sit on a wharf, them not give out. But me like how the entertainment community just step up and thing and you know, woolly pa entertainer the outer road I help people and this and that, you know. Yeah. I don't know no love beat dancehall and beat the entertainer. I want to remember that here. When time the attack claps come down and thing and remember who did step out and roll out here. Remember who now. Remember up till now who now. Who not sure say them substantially do anything yet and thing and whatever and ray, but full of big chat and all them singing there. I just note it. But big up the entertainer them. Hold on, enough of them step out and thing and do the thing. Right? Some of them no money now run phone right and all, so me know say that can't really, you know. Me know enough of them rough pound right now. Lexus probably not no money right now. Macadam man not no money right now. Maca my friend, you know. He say Maca put on the weight and all this. Macadam man not no money right now. No for them not no money right now, you know. So if they did have it, then would do look more and that, you know. But big up the people them who have money. Same say Shensi I give out 400 generator there. I saw it go. Sean Paul go on with theme thing. Bojo go on with him thing. Moses give a theme thing. Rodney give a theme thing. And whatever Lisa Anna did out there. Right? So I want to big up enough people who go on with that thing and whatever, you know. Lively Clive, big up yourself, you know. And if Lively Clive did have the money, and Spice go on with fear thing, big up Gracie. If Lively Clive did have money, Lively Clive would have give enough things to. Oh. Massacre, yeah. See Shaggy a big show there now. You know, December 12th. And thing. Cartel. Yeah. Bounty. And what name there? Go on with that thing. And big up DJ Khaled too, you know. Yeah. Ramesh. A long time Ramesh I do that though, you know. I mean Ramesh do what him do for the hurricane, but you know. Look at drama go on with Ramesh and, you know, and him one time artist there and thing and sitting, but a long time Ramesh help people. I saw, Safari go to? Okay, all right. Yeah, man, big up all of them people who go so raw and step out, you know, and do what them can do and thing like that and help who them can help and thing. You see, everything is everything. All right, any mix-up on have to come in now, we're going to mix up them here. Any mix-up on forward now. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Wagwan.
Yeah, you know.
See? Yes.
In a real life, you know, remember you you know, when they have me to carry up on the super sprinter bus from half a tree got papi, you know, for you know.
Me?
You mean when you come in on my bus no load, cause you pay charm again, you know. My bus load, you know.
How I
Half a
hear
tree
that?
got
How I
papi.
hear that? How I hear that?
Now,
yeah.
for 92, 90 something that we are talking about, Super Sprinter bus, Mr. Worker, Benz, Mr. Worker, Papi. When you come in on my bus load, because Peer Jam, I give everybody have to come in my bus, because when you come in on my bus load.
No, but you say 90 something, 92?
Yeah, 91, 92.
When I think of me, you know, you probably know
What
about
you
me.
mean we are talking about? You can't tell me nothing. You mean so can't go up you can't tell me nothing.
No, man, I think of me, you carry 91, 92, man. Man, I think of me, man.
Before that, at them time, I left for work.
No, but me I tell you, said them time, them me never even there at Jamaica.
No, man, you can't. No, me there from early in the 80s, come up to the 90s. At them time, I left.
At them time, yeah, but so when you say me, they depend on the bus.
You never used to go your way.
Like, as a student, no?
You never used to go up your way, up a class.
No.
Don't tell me nothing, Raga. When you come from my bus for half a tree, if you go up a Papi, up your way.
No.
Yeah. You can't tell me nothing, Raga.
Well, I know, but me I tell you, so me never go you as a student.
Me say, you're drama, man. From them time, that's why me listen, you're drama, man.
From them time, they do.
Me say, when you come in on my bus load. All the time, how much bus they behind. When you come in on my bus, you go like girl them and pay drama, you gay.
Me?
Oh, you mean if I you?
I know me, man. No, man. You know, remember right, man. I know me, man. Me never there Jamaica them time there. That me I tell you, dog.
86, 87, 89, you never 90?
No, 86, 87.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me did that Jamaica them time there.
Yeah, that me I tell you about me tell you 92, me Lego work. But them time there, that means you're gone. Come there, Oasis, him think about West Main Drive, and me so him think that Benz.
No, but when me I try to tell him, me never really go that side there, you know. Anything me take go Mona Road and go August Town. So me just I tell you, say.
All right. Yes,
say what?
Just come back, man. Put him back in memory chip, man.
Yeah, the memory chip and say what? You never say your blood clot bus run pan August to Papa Mona Road. You say Papine, and that you just say.
No, but I 75 me that run.
What?
75 me that run, but when me come up Papine and so me meet you and come up a yo and come a cast get this at night time.
But when so what the 75 run pan Mona Road?
No, we come a Papine and then after now him
then that me I tell you, say me not go Papine, me never go Papine side. I'm Mona Road side, me come up and
Mona Road, I want to you, man, yeah.
Yeah, in a real life, no.
In a real life.
Yeah.
I because when I JC you them, I'm Mona. I mean, I Tiger brother blood cleat where it was. I will come a golden jug and a lick and I want to you.
So yeah, hold it.
Memory chip, man.
Yeah, I mean, if I put in my memory chip, I remember, don't. Come in, I remember, don't. Yeah. It's like me, I slip, don't.
Yeah.
All age I catch up with me, man. Because it look like me now remember.
Man, come here, 55 I know, you know.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
man.
It's a look like
a long time.
Hold on. So, it bus used to run from where? Half a tree, don't.
No, 75 and 6 miles to Papine.
From 6 miles to Papine and come through half a tree down.
Yeah, come up a Papine. Yeah.
I come up a Papine. And I be a vibe used to go on the bus and me used to star up a show upon the bus and go and be a trouble down. Yes, man. Me just remember now. Yeah.
When you come from my bus at half a tree, my bus load, no matter how much boy run is, and me work is Super Sprinter, Mr. Work.
Super Sprinter, it's same one. Super Sprinter. Yeah, it's
with the
same
necktie
one.
driver, and I me have on the uniform with mark Super Sprinter on the back.
Well on. The driver did have a necktie?
Yes, necktie. We call it.
I remember you know, man, the necktie.
With the whole school badge, them, all the childhood, every badge.
Yeah. Yeah,
And when
yeah,
you come in a bus and come off a tree, all
yeah.
like girl them, everything can jam. I give everybody my
And
bus
me a
load. And you
thing.
make my bus load.
Yeah, and
And you make my bus
me
load.
make your boss go. You see it from them days that down we are juggle down.
Yeah.
Bad
Yeah,
stuff,
right.
I tell you.
Yeah.
Memories don't leave like,
Still
hey,
live like people.
people do, brap, 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 brap. What it man, hey.
Raga, you saw me bring back in, you see me bring back your memory trip.
Well, I say it again. Say that again. Say that
You
again.
sound like me bring back your memory trip to your brain.
See him so. See him so. I remember. Well, on. You did have one something was a super sprinter upon it too?
Yes. I'm
Alive.
me shirt, my
You did have
uniform shirt,
have
my
something with
super
a super
sprint upon it.
Chabom buckler. Jano Star. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. See it?
Yeah. Raga.
Jano, eh?
From them time, I tell everybody what them I tell them man, them say, yo,
Yeah.
a Raga make all my bus load, you know. Because when Raga come from my bus and when the bus empty, my bus have a load.
See it.
Raga come in and say, well, I school, yo, well, I think them have to come in. Because Raga drama.
Yeah. From them time, they were, may I help you build the thing down. You see it, and a nice everything for you and whatever.
Yeah.
Yo, you know, so I'm glad say you hold it and then just keep on and remind me because it would even come back to me, say, you know, because I remember them days, you know, you see.
Remember, say, I'm more in school, JCU with them.
Yeah.
When we come a Golden Dragon and come up a Legany, I mean, a Tiger brother is a work bus, you know.
And turn right, there's a Golden Dragon where you come up and thing,
you know.
or the standpipe and thing, you know, which part travelers come from and thing and whatever. Them time that the JCU, them full up super sprinter and them blue shirt and them blue pants and thing and whatever, you know? Mad thing.
Yeah. All right, transfer me from Spanish Town, you know, and put me up there, you know.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
man, super sprinter. I know it's like fast Spencer that thing when they come on in front, where I super sprinter, they come on and run. I mean, I'm a uniform, I'm a driver in a necktie.
In a necktie. Yo, and that driver, they could have drive, you know, he could know if he come drive, hey, he could have drive.
A Bogle in him.
Bogle him, see him one, man. See him one, Bogle, man. Bogle, man, a real driver that, man. A real driver that, stoller driver that, and thing. Remember Bogle? Yeah. And you never want to hang off at the door, or you never want to hang up on the door. You have to go in and all them something there. You know, want to stand up.
Yeah. Yeah. And they have Manafort and then bus there and Ray, but we was the global thing.
Yeah.
When time you come from my bus, you know. We sure about the Lord, you know.
You see, because you don't know, so from Raga come on, the girls, them are come on to and a beer things are going down.
The girls, them are come to you, them are tell us, I can show you, I keep, a long time I keep showing, you know.
A long
and
time,
when you come from the ear, you know.
See, them don't even know.
Mr. Raga.
Yeah,
Them not even know. Me say, when you come from my bus, me say, yeah, you don't know me.
See, bus load and full and whatever. People see man and juggle right.
Sit down in one seat and the bus empty and you come in there.
The
whole like girl, the whole like students, them
world of girl follow Raga them days. The world of girl follow Raga them girl. I want my tea and thing and whatever. You see?
Yeah.
And we give thanks and say what they are right you know and you remember all them thing that thing. You know, pick up yourself, you know. Yeah. And you just kind of
you not even know where I come from.
Where I come from.
Now with there, what I would there can. Yeah.
A long time
put you
Raga
back in my memory lane and you can't remember. You can't remember.
You put me right.
Why do you better look when I youth and say, you know, campaign college him thing there, I say, which part? Me say, thing there.
Champion college. Yeah, man.
That's before you reach up. Yeah. No, some people don't know when I give them knowledge. And I tell them, say, yo, when me and Ragashanti I go up and say, half a tree, legally papi.
Yeah. Every day we are past Champion College pan Oprah that go through Ligani and
Golden Dragon, you come a Golden Dragon.
Golden Dragon.
You understand?
People are wanna be more about nice Chinese restaurant. Them damn the Golden Dragon and run the place down.
I run the
Trouble. John. Why am I telling you?
She not even know me say. Me glad from what they say me want to link up with it. Yeah, I make you know. I say, yeah. A unit where we come from.
Enough of them see me righteous and know and think some man are just coming at this. Say we are entertaining and make people laugh. Me want you tell them when we used to go on with on the bus. Them talk to them and tell them. Talk to them and tell them when we used to go on with on the bus. Them days. Yeah, tell them.
Yeah.
Tell them. Tell the people them.
Yo, Raga, when you come from my bus, Lord, no matter how much bus in a line I have for three, and when you come from my bus, no matter how much boy in a line, my bus have a load. When you come in the empty bus, you come always back of the line.
Yeah.
Everybody, because when you are the drama, if you go over your thing there, what me say?
Mix up and overdrive.
Boy, have to give me way to come out.
Mix up
Blend,
and overdrive, make the ladies them entertain and all these things.
Raga. Yeah. I think I know where you come. I know where you come. Boy, I feel like say. I don't know where I come from. Boy, I feel like we don't say
when I say some of them women and them not just tell them the things them used to go on with on the bus, man. Make them some of them women and know about God. Just tell them what used to go on.
Drama, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean I pay drama, I pay laughter. When you come on the thing, you make everybody, that's why passengers in some tell us my boss of the Lord. He's a drama, man.
Proper.
He's a man that pay laughter, you make people laugh.
From foundation. Oh, you mean?
Foundation. No matter a man sulky, and a man even want come in our next bus, or a man have to come in our bus like a Ragashanti. And I
yeah.
Yeah,
Raga depend the base, so the base have to lock off and thing. Loan people up in a bus and thing. Crazy people, because you don't know.
Crazy.
Starring at that, don't.
Yeah, in a real life.
What you hear about?
You set the thing, you know, Dan. And I know, you know, now a man can see you and feel like, say, you're pian, you know.
No for them won't even know. So we need
real.
We need a soldier like you to make them know the
energy. I love that energy there. Same way, you have the same way.
Yeah, from them time that till now, don't.
Yeah, have fun and laughter.
Yeah. And you know, say we are stamina daddy night, you know, we not flap and pop down
around
here, you know. And we say we keep going, ever blood clot ready, like a little bunny there with a battery and then sitting there and whatever. And
all right.
Keep going and going and going and going from them there, the super sprinter days up till now, where they are up on TikTok. A super sprinter, the roof.
All right. Super sprinter, doctor and driver, burger. And me.
Yeah. John.
Straight up.
Yeah, but big up yourself.
Yeah, man. You bring back your memory chip.
Yes, man. You bring back your memory chip, man. Yeah. You bring back your memory chip, you know.
You remember them days?
Man.
You make me laugh, you know, Dan.
I'm me tell you.
Laugh and charm.
What?
When me there happen, them time they don't know who around the place with the Skengagan.
Yeah. Skeng.
Skengagan, over there happen, in the park there. And when you come in the park and there's a bump and touch in the bus.
Yeah.
That time a ninja man I run about Dan Gagan, Spengagan.
Lock off the whole of Alpha Tree them days they do a bad so. Yeah. All right, my general. Big up yourself.
In a real life.
In a real life. Oh, you mean, man? All right, big up yourself, you know, my general. All right. But tell the people them what your name again. Tell the people, the ladies them what your name.
Oh,
what
I mean, they Winder then call me, you know. Winder then call me, but I welder. Me have too much name, you know.
Welder. But then most people call you
Winder.
Winder. Okay.
Winder.
All right.
Yaga.
Yeah.
That's a word.
That's a word, man. Safety here, sir.
I'm glad, you know.
Yes, man.
Listen me more.
Yeah, man. All right, then. Cool,
yeah.
man.
All right, family. Bless up. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I was sweet, you know. I was sweet, you know. I was sweet, you know. Okay. Man, choke on his bullet. But I like to know why the chat just a move so hard. I was sweet, man. Why the chat up on fire? So I was sweet, you know. 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 Alex Ambrose, reunion ragga. Yeah, that's something there, right? Yeah. You know, say initially when the brethren attack, you know, me never, you know, so it's been a while. So me never quite remember what the general are saying, you know. But you see, when him start explaining all certain things right you know, I saw the thing I come back little, you know. As him saying, you know, it bring back my memory chip. Know that. Yeah. Bring back my memory chip. That me I tell you, you know. And I saw the thing start come back little, you see me? And I saw me start remember the something of them, you know. I remember say the driver used to have, you know, him look a necktie and all them something there. Yeah, Bogle, the driver seen. Yeah. I remember say him now, him used to wear for him uniform, you know, super sprinter and all them something there and whatever. I remember say me used to star up his show. And when him bus empty and me go in there and start my antics, bus full after that. Yeah, I remember that now. The general bring back my memory chip. I remember now again. Right? And I just threw the humility in me, you know, me never remember them something that we used to do, you know. You understand? Right? And then, you know, it's good to have a brethren just come and just kind of pick your brain, just kind of remind you of some symbols. So I used to have all the thing, the super sprinter thing, pan him, see it there? Branded. And I some remember the something of them here. That me I tell you now, here. Big up your boss. Yeah. Sometimes some little things slip, you know, and then, you know. And you need like a friend or somebody from them time there, you know, for just. You know, remember when someone said, oh, yes, the rotted, yeah. Yeah, man, so big up Winder. Okay. Big up Winder, because Winder, remember the something of them. It's just so good to, you know. All right, yeah. Bring back a memory chip, you know. Wait, hold on. People me don't know I go on a TikTok sometimes I bring you in and sometimes I bring you in and it's like a TikTok I fling on out back in them. I don't know how that go, you know. But me just still just hello?
How are you, handsome?
What's up, Sherry? How you doing, beautiful?
I'm doing very well. How's it going? It's been so long.
I know it sounds like you're doing very well. Your voice have a little bit of that you know, doing well sound in it, you know.
Yeah, I'm doing well. I can't complain. How was your Thanksgiving?
It was pretty good, but could you do me a little favor, please?
Depends. What is it?
Yeah. Could you just say yeah the way you just said it again? Could you just repeat it, please?
Yeah.
A little more guttural like you did the first.
Like, yeah.
No, like lower. It's just a low on the scale.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. That's it. No, serious to me. I know something like that, yeah, then, you know?
You do.
Yeah.
What else?
No, man. If you could just give me a daily dose of that, yeah, that would be it for me. You know, perhaps some more too, you know, because that is
Yeah. Okay. I'll do that.
Yeah, you know, I can't even do it. I'm just like hearing you say it. And yeah. I want
Okay.
to listen to you laugh. That's just such a hearty, wholesome laugh that you have there. You know.
Mm-hmm.
Are you
Okay,
general?
well,
Are you generally a jovial person?
yeah, I am.
I like
Right?
that. Playful too.
Very playful, yeah.
Yeah. Are you sometimes even playful on the pleasurable
Oh,
circum? Are you playful under pleasurable circumstances too? Because I'm
Lord.
like that. I'm like that. I am like that. I'm just trying to
Yeah,
sense if we have some sort of compatibility there. We do.
you're trying to see if we have some come. Oh, really? So you're playful on that?
Oh yeah, yeah. I can be. You know, particularly if I have a
Yeah.
partner there. You know what I'm saying? Then I can get real playful. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, got it.
All right.
Okay.
So how was your Thanksgiving, Cher?
My Thanksgiving was well spent with family
Nice.
in Brooklyn.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's cool. That's cool. So you had a nice, relaxing time, reminiscing with the relatives and so forth. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why have you been like, why have you ghosted us like, for a while
I
now? What's
have
going on?
not. I'm always like peeking in and like, checking on you and things like that. And sometimes I stay around to
Yeah.
like, hear the conversations. You can ask your mods. Like I'm always here.
I don't know. I just,
Ask Christina. She's always talking to me in the chat.
but
You see, I even know your mom's name.
no, but this is it. For the record, I want you to know, like, I mean,
Okay.
you were missed. You were missed by me.
Oh,
You were
I
missed.
missed you too.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I've missed you too.
Well, you did.
Yeah.
But you see, you're a little bit self-conscious now saying the yeah. Anytime you're saying it now, you're like catching yourself now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't want you to be self-conscious about it, because if you're self-conscious about it, that means you won't do it, and that means I won't get my yeah, and I need my yeah.
Okay. I got
Okay,
you.
okay.
I got you.
Sure, man. Sure. Good to hear your voice, though. All right.
Yeah. But I'm always here, Raga. Like I'm
Okay.
always like on your show. I just
Okay.
don't come up all the time
Right.
anymore. But I'm always in the chat and
Okay.
listening to you.
Hmm.
You look so handsome tonight. I like your
Me?
outfit. Yeah, I like
Me?
your outfit. Of course. What do you mean me?
No, it's just a sweatshirt. I mean, what do you
I know,
just?
but you look good. You look like you're working out. You look like you're lifting. Like, look at how.
No. I'm not. I
Oh,
should be.
that's the illusion that the sweatshirt is giving.
Well,
Mm.
well, perhaps we need to have a conversation with the sweatshirt, because it's being quite deceptive in its presentation. Okay, so
Really? No, it
yeah,
makes you look very strong. Like,
that's strong. You like
yeah,
strong. You like
I
strong.
like strong.
You like strong. Like, what does
I
strong?
do.
What does strong do for you?
I can't even tell you.
Okay. Well, no, but you can, but you prefer not to tell me here, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay, sure. Big up yourself here.
Okay, you too.
All right,
Bye.
boo. Bye. All right. Blessings, man. Cool. Sure in the building I pass through and things seen. One sure, you understand? Right? Sure got that. Yeah. Cookie Monstress not have that. Yeah, right? Cookie Monstress not know them flirting people. Some of them can't talk to Cookie Monstress. Cookie people talk to Cookie Monstress. She have this thing, and like she feel like she must bad up man, forget man for do things, They talk to her for me, Right? She wouldn't even get one look at, yeah. Right? She don't know how to flirt. Yo, yeah, I don't know enough man, but enough woman don't know how to flirt either, Enough woman don't know how to flirt. right? You see that person I chat with named Ellie, I'm a friend. She don't know for flirt, you know. Girl just dry, so. When me say dry, you know when you hug so dry coconut and the old on the outside just dry, so Ellie don't know for flirt. Cookie Manchester don't know for flirt. Right? And it's like crack. Cookie Manchester known for flirt. Cookie Manchester one of them woman there. I know Cookie Manchester walk up. You, me like you, I want you. Come here. Come eat me. Yo, when I need to talk to Cookie Manchester. Yeah. And if a man tell Cookie Manchester him no want to do something, it's like she no want to take no for your answer. Want beat up man and all them something for them do what them no want to do. Without tired herself. How was she there? Cookie Manchester, how were you there? This is where verbal expressions put. She said, me flirting. This is how she flirt. Come nyam this. Oh, Jesus God. Ay. May I try with them, you know? But some woman don't know for flirt, man. All right, let me see. Well, all of the woman them who know, say, who don't know how to flirt. So put in, say me. Let me see who I got to tell the truth. All of the woman them who know, say, you don't know how to flirt. Say me. I say some woman admit it, them don't know how to flirt. Lottie girls say she don't know how to flirt. Diana Harris, Wells, Rocky, Pilar. Ellie said with the right person. Kitty says she can't flirt for save her life. Scorpio Tiffy, she says she don't know for flirt. Some woman, yeah. Munchie says she know for flirt. Listen to me. I like Cher, right? Who have problem with it? I have problem with it. I like Cher. Cher is cool. Cher is bubbly. Let me tell you something. Cher is like a really nice champagne, you know? Yeah, that's what she's like, you know? You know, a really nice champagne that is bubbly and it tingles your throat and thing, and it's like a semi-sweet type of thing there and whatever. Yeah, you know, chilled and nice, and you know, bubbly, and it gives you a little high just by being associated with it, having it inside of you or whatever. That is Cher. Cher is like a really nice, bubbly champagne. She come in your midst and the sun shines a little brighter. That's what Cher has. And enough I don't have that harass. I don't want to know like you don't want to come bad mind me and Cher thing. I don't go a man and allow me and Cher make we do a thing. You understand? Lola say, I like Cher. She should go on that Ghana trip. Yeah, Cher can come on the Ghana trip because Cher was nice up a thing. When I go like you don't want to come mash up me and Cher thing, you know. Right? Some man don't want to come and drop wood or whatever and now. Allow me and Cher make we flirt and do something, man. You don't know how I want me to know. Okay. Sure, baby girl, big up yourself. You know, just know, sir, when you talk to Raga, yeah. You my champagne, all right, sure? You my bubbly, effervescent champagne, okay? You do that to me. You get the thing going. Okay, back to the flirting thing now. Cookie Man just Nikki them for invite me. Invite her to her. Jumpy! Big up yourself, you know. Verbal expression. Pop that champagne, Raga. Yeah, I would have pop. Yeah, I would have pop. Nah, man. When I pop it, when I pop sure, man. Right? You sure you know some champagne where you go so pop and you pop it and you just hold it and make it the bubble just roll out on your hands, so, you know. And make a bubble roll out and thing, and you just look on it and the bubble just bubble and come out. That's how I see Cher. A while ago, I go say, and then you take a sip, but I don't want to go read into that. So me not bother say it, you know, cause we're not gonna start with the foolishness. Raga, what are we here that drink sure champagne? What are we here that just sip it so? Lola, sip it half a sure. Nothing wrong with that. Liquor can sip off a woman, especially when them have a look at in navel and the navel clean. Right? Not like fox navel or novlet navel. Not like for them navel. Them not clean for them navel. Yeah. Yeah, some woman them beard good and inna them navel dirty. Like Tony Fox there. Yeah. Na fox navel always dirty and whatever. So na champagne for going over. If you go in and better drink it. Cause dirt I go in a champagne. Okay? I'm just saying. What's wrong with me tonight, by the way? What is it, the Baileys? You name it, drink like a Baileys, you never just go with a bag of foolishness, you know. You can imagine me under other circumstances. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What you sure say, Raga, sure have you away. Don't. We're having fun over here. That's cool. Okay, let's have some more fun. Let's see what's going. Let's see what can come up out of the kitty, right? Sure, sir, I like it when you drink Baileys, right? Yeah, sure. You should give me some Baileys to drink anytime you come. Anytime you're coming over to visit me, bring a bottle of Baileys. Or if I'm going to visit you, I'll bring a bottle of Baileys. And we'll drink Baileys together. Good night, caller. Somewhere Master Good has never answered a while ago. What she come up for? That them do, man. Them come up and then run when them know so we are going to hear it in them voice, so them not beard, because she have the not beard voice, which is easy for kind of determine which she. That's why she run a while ago, you know, all right? Master Good as the way you cut a while ago and let go the NZB. I want go on. How you cut and run, gone, Master? Love a girl, big up yourself. And Cookie and I will be a fly on the one. Nikki, me no want you make Cookie lead the astray, you know, Nikki. Because Nikki a bad girl too, you know, but you know how fair. Nikki a bad girl, you know, but you know, come in like Cookie, you know, aggressive with your bad girlism, you know. But you know if it be like if this makes sense, you know if it be like a bad girl on the softer side, you know. You know where you want, and you know how to move for where you want and all them something there. But you know, coming like Cookie, you know, cause Cookie with it, you know, Cookie man, she fear problem is, you know, she asks you something and you not do it and whatever. She the type of woman, so you not give me, you not do what I tell you if you do and you say no, go up on your blood clot knee. Yeah, I them made that she go on with that thing and whatever. You don't know, so we not join them something there, you know. You know. We not join them something that we not make no woman come grounds without certain way, you know. Yeah, and we run the show around here, right? We in charge around here, we run the show. And if we want to get a little bit creative and branch off a little bit, you know, it's our choice. We want to do it, you know. Yeah. And at the right woman, have to bring that out of you. Cause if you juggle with a woman and you don't feel it with her, all of the man them out there, listen to me, man, if you juggle with a woman and you don't feel like, forget, like, a little bit frisky with her, you know, don't do it. Don't do it. Listen to the whole man, Raga, tell her, no, don't do it. If you don't feel it with her, don't force it. Don't force it. If you're not going to enjoy it, and when you're done, you're going to waste your freakiness. That sound weirdy? Waste your freak. Well, no. That sound weird, man. It's like, don't waste your freakiness here. You know, freakiness is expensive, I think. Don't. I like it. Yo, don't waste on the freakiness. Freakiness stuff for waste. Don't waste on the freakiness. If you don't feel it, don't waste it. Don't because serious. Freakiness stuff for waste, man. And everybody deserve on the freakiness, yeah? No matter believe so from if you not do something on for automatically freaking. Not a ras. Don't do it. If you don't feel it, don't do it. If them not bring that out of you, don't force it. And if them are going like them want you so and so and so, but you don't feel it, run them ras. Don't waste on the freaking. Sure, it's a ragga, no more Baileys. Here's a car. Me don't know what I don't know what I'm doing tonight. I'm being foolishness with it, but I'm goofy when I know that, you know. Yo, I am Mr. Fun around here. You understand? I mean, to enjoy life to the fullest. All right. See what the rum. Who I drink rum? No, son, I don't drink the rum, man. It's not a really a rum. Yeah, I like rum actually, you know, but it's kind of like flavored rum. No, you don't have flavored rum. But you have some rum where, like, I'm a rum and coke guy, you know. But me more drink Appleton than drink Rihanna for white rum, you know. I have some people that love Rihanna for white rum, you know, but me more drink Appleton, you know. VX and all them things, you know, them smooth something. Yeah, they say I like Hennessy, you know. Means a Hennessy white, man, because it's smooth, you know. I like smooth, you know. I like smooth, you know. That kind of, yeah, take charge, you know, but yeah, take charge, you know, look no rush with you, you know. Because you run your show. And you know, I said it, she not going away. What me I rush for? She the right, yes. No rushing, you take your time and enjoy every minute, you know. Yeah, that's an Appleton. But Rian, if you're white rum, yes, man, get a little bit of white. Not that right. Nah, them something, yeah. Right, I'm a sipper, not a gulper. Okay? I'm love a girl says she's drinking a glass of Merlot to relax. I love Merlot. Merlot heats the spot. That's my red right there. Red wine, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about. I like Merlot. My friends, particularly my European friends, my European colleagues and friends, they don't like Merlot. They like dry wine. I don't like dry wine. I like semi-dry, yeah, Riesling. But I love Merlot. But like the European them, for them thing is just dry wine right through. It's not my thing. Really, Jesus, God, yeah. Look how the night did I go and go. Hello?
Hi, Raga. How
Hi.
are you doing?
I'm actually doing quite good. Wait.
That is amazing to hear. Can you please do me a favor? It's to help you. Can you get some ice and put in your Baileys so that it can water down?
When you said no, the kind of Baileys I do something Raga in the night, you know.
Please.
But it don't water down already, you know, because you know something
I don't think so.
No, man, it water down, man. Raga is just in a playful, mischievous mood tonight, but the Baileys have something to do with it.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
All of your tongue, you stick out, Raga, warm to you.
Who has stick out in tongue?
You just do it a while ago.
Me just stick out my tongue a while ago?
Yes.
Me just stick out my tongue a while ago?
Jesus Christ, Raga, rest the Baileys, please.
Well, I'm looking at you.
Please, may I beg you?
Me just stick out my tongue a while ago?
Yes. You did.
Well, I guess, yeah. Well, yeah.
Just get oh God, give the Baileys a rest, please.
No, you know, say you know over flirt. You know for flirt. I see you flirt and thing. But the thing with you, you're evil with it though. You're evil with it. You know, you are one of them flirt and they're like, you just like lead some man on and I fuck with him head and him just thinking like whatever. And it's like a joke to you, like just mash
Oh
up him head
yeah,
and like, yeah, me see, you're evil
of
with your
course.
flirting and thing and whatever, you know?
Yeah.
You have that something there and thing and whatever. So you can't teach your friend for flirt. Java can't flirt, you know?
Of course my sister can.
No, Java no know for flirt. Java no know for flirt.
Of course my sister can.
Listen, Java no know for flirt. Java want come in like Cookie Monstrous and things. Java like, she like the Sizzler song there. Get to the point.
Hello, my sister alone, yeah?
Yeah.
Go and go drink your Baileys now.
Yeah, you want some?
Do I want some?
Yeah, Bailey.
Can you put some Hennessy in it and then I will take some?
Don't tell me that you have drunk, that you drink Bailey's mixed with Hennessy.
Yes, it actually tastes pretty good. It is so good.
You're joking, right?
I am not even joking.
You mix Bailey's with a creamy liquor?
Hennessy with creamy liquor, I do. It is really good. You should try it.
You know, say people see and take your light and you know you one dangerous girl, you know, you know. You
It
look
is
a
really
girl,
good.
you but look when some people that talk about yes, that's them drink it too. Like serious.
And it can't be too cold, just a little chill. And you just take your time and sip on it.
Daniel said I had it one time and that bust me head, never again.
It is really good.
No, but you know, look like it broke out Daniel. Daniel said, never again. Because she probably leave old part. I can't even believe it. Make me do them something there. Yeah.
Yes, good man.
Christina, well, she's ANC, so she go send them shit. Yeah, Christina, but I love that mix.
Yeah, it's really good.
I've never heard that, you know.
Yeah, you should try it. But please, not when you're coming on the radio, on TikTok Live, okay?
Not when I'm
Just do
coming?
it when you're home chilling and you're not come talk to nobody.
Yeah.
Or you have to stick out your tongue and you know point the bent finger. Yeah, just do it when you're about to read a book.
Read a book.
Yeah. You know, when you're about to read the book, you're skipping the pages.
No, but you know, say, me have fun tonight. I'm in a playful mood.
That is amazing.
Yeah, I know. And basically, you come and tell me, say, you don't want me to continue being and enjoy myself. That is interesting.
You know what? Go and
You know,
enjoy yourself here. Get somewhere. Get some Hennessy and Baileys. Mix it together.
You know what me I pick up though?
What?
It sound like you two have a problem with me and Sher. That it sound like.
Who
Because
named so?
Well, listen to me. I know what you're going like you want to come this up my share, you know. Love me have a share, okay? Love me and share, okay? God, imagine me and share they are flirt and we are going with something and your thing is to come in and stop drinking blood clot beer, let's rock out. Oh, water it down.
Actually, I did not say to stop drinking the blood clot Baileys.
Oh, you didn't say that?
I was being nice about it. I was helping a friend out.
No, what did you say? Stop drinking the bomber clot beers? That's what you said?
God, I don't like to curse.
Yeah. That is not curse. I keep telling you those words are not bad words.
Huh?
If you say, I feel so blood clot happy, is that a bad word?
Blood and clot. No, that's not a bad word.
That's not a bad word.
No.
It's an exclamatory expression modifying the verb that you're, modifying the verb that you're using.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, happy
Brother,
is a
move
state
your
of
hand from
being.
so close, please. Why you have to set your hand like that?
Happy is a state of being, and then the blood clot is modifying the happy. That's not a bad thing.
No, it's not. Say that again, Raga.
Eh?
Say that again.
No, not to me and your papi show.
No, it's the way your tongue was trying to push through your teeth.
No, because me and you look a press button. You know, go from me as a woman. When you go a Grenada and look back at the Anglican church for Sonia virginity and allow me. Okay.
A long time it gone.
No, but me go back at the church, go look feet in the car.
You gotta look for it. Make sure you videotape it.
What? It took out your fully video. Me going right back at the church because she said around there she lost it. At the back of the Anglican church, she said she lost her virginity. So I shall be looking for it when I go down. Cause you know,
I wonder if she get ants bite.
Me no know.
I wonder if ants did bite her up on it.
Well, me no know, you know.
Because if it was done, what?
If it was what?
Me did a drink, make I go on my bed.
If it was what? It was
nothing.
Wait, Lion Queen said we like the tongue movement.
I told you. Yes. Look at you again.
It's so disgusting. What kind of tongue movement? Watch out, look who come in the chat now. Double actress. It's a rap.
Sip on it again so Sherry can see.
It's a rap. What?
Sip on your Bailey so Sherry can see.
Munchie come drain me.
I would, but I don't believe Sherry would like that. So I'm just gonna leave it alone.
Sir, I said, nah, Munchie, nah, any draining I go on a shower for do it.
I can't fight, you know. I'm not a fighter. I'm too short to fight, so I'm not gonna leave that alone.
No, sure, that's a no, Munchie, where you do? Watch out, Angie now, she come in. I'll drain you, Raga.
Angie, go ahead. Go ahead, Angie. Go right ahead.
No, sir.
You and Sherry can go war that out. Not me.
No, man. No, if you say Angie go drain me, mother maga down to nothing.
All your nose would have shrink.
The big nose would have go down.
All your nose would have shrink.
What is happening tonight, people? I don't know. Angie, you never beat you. No, sir. Angie with a vacuum mount down, the vacuum draining. Jesus God, Angie, when you're too dark on them sinking. I dead.
Raga, you need a refill with a lot of ice, okay? Have a good night.
Angie said, Raga, it look like you know get drain Joe in a long time. You swear she gone.
Jesus Christ. Raga, look on her lip. She have the draining lip.
I true, you know, look on her lip, look on Angie lip.
Yeah, look on her lip.
No, man, it look like when they lip the wall, you know, and you know, Lego, you know.
Oh, I'm sorry for you, Raga.
Yeah, no, Angie look like she have them lip, you know, when they color your ass, you know, man. You have some lip, you know. You have some lip when they reach you. Then make you want to touch and can't touch. You keep on want to touch and can't touch. So you end up do something like this. Ladies, ladies, you must know about that something there. Some man never make you want to touch and can't touch. You don't want to touch. Ladies, some man never not deal with the case of the one. Yeah, who know about that something there? You know about that something that Munchie?
No, I don't. Have a good night.
Yes, all right then. You run gone. What are you run gone?
My head hurt me, Raga, later.
Yeah, you need some rest right now. Go rest, yeah?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, man, go rest, yeah, Munchie rest. Munchie gone. Munchie Lego. But people don't know about that something they do. You want to touch and can't touch, you know? It's like you want to touch and you have the breath go with it too, you know. Right? The breath go with it, you know. The Anna do this, but the breath, so this is the sound effects now, you know. It's like well, I can't bother. No, I want to be a designer tonight. Nikki, creme de la creme said, no, sir, come show me. Wanna go and creme? People look what Juice Media post. Juice Media post. Munchie, kiss me, baby. Not bad. I got I got. People are being mischief are making a night, yeah, you know. Let's go. Creme says she there and Kingsley. My voice are low. Strong lips. My voice are low. Does she know
Hey,
that
oh,
she's
hi, Ragas.
my voice are
Sorry.
low again.
For me, hold on. What did you do again? Remember what did you do last time?
You remember what you did the last time? Wow.
Can't remember.
Wow.
Hold on. Let me take off something. Yeah.
But Killer Miller said, Munchy thing
Is it
cannot
better?
do, you know. Yeah, man, I look, you know. What's up?
Okay. Not much.
You know, your people, they are talk about your lip, them and thing, you know. I make assumptions. I make
My
assumptions.
beautiful lips.
Yeah, they must say you have the grippy lippy.
I do.
Oh, for real? Eh? I wish you God. Poor thing. She thinks she dip on the phone. I don't know the phone must be still connected to the car and she out there talk to me.
No, some here.
Well on. We hear the car door close a while ago. And we
Hold
hear
on
you
then.
in the distance attack, you know. So you think you did still connected,
Yeah,
don't?
hello? Yeah.
Yeah,
We're good
but
now. We're good now.
Well on, but it's still connected to the car, don't?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you come out of the car and lock it and out there
No,
chat good to me and not hear, don't?
And that never aftermarket Android Auto, right?
We not hear what you say right, I know, you know, because you there the people in man yard and you know, we're not hearing what you say.
Yeah, hear me better now?
Yeah.
Okay, Miss say I had an aftermarket Android Auto. Turned it off.
No, man, you do all kind of something on your voice. I something know say you're not good, you know. You see me, I tell you, your mouth always a mover from wait for them. That means say you don't even know what you do with your mouth.
Listen.
Listen to me, several times your mouth mover from wait for this since you're there, son. So you don't have no control over your mouth. You don't have any alignment between what you're focusing on and where your mouth is a focus where you're the pan and thing. You don't have that instinctive, natural thing and whatever, right? Because just in the little conversation where you have right now, your mouth careless.
Jesus Christ, Raga, you really do me so? Alright. No, alright. Alright, let's start over. Hi, Raga.
Focus your mouth, all right? We need some mouth focus.
My mouth focus, it focus.
No, but I no problem I teach you, I don't mind tell you what you
You can't teach me nothing, Raga.
What do you mean? What do you mean I can't teach you?
Any teaching I go on and me, I can teach you.
No, you're in Canada. You don't know shit. Of course, I'm in America. Americans can't teach you.
Yet a while ago, you talk about how my lips them. Listen.
It's Munchie said.
I am formulating a list of every time you unexpectedly, or what is that the word to use? Unknowingly?
I don't know what you say.
Compliment the Canadian them sort out and don't know. It's okay.
Whenever I ever done that.
Listen, you know, say every time we come off a live and you post it the next day, we make sure go through the live with a fine teeth comb.
Wait, you listen it back over YouTube, right?
Of course. I'm myself listen to. You see?
Well, there's nothing wrong with that. We need to reference our work after we perform.
Exactly. So,
Reference and see
so-
where there's room for improvement and so forth. Yeah.
I'm making a list of all the times you've complimented the Canadian sort out.
So you're saying, on occasions, I have inadvertently celebrated the Canadian sort out unknowingly.
Yep.
Oh.
I look at my phone and I say, brute. Is it like a brute?
But you can't give me an actual example of me doing so, right?
Tonight.
Tonight, since 9, huh?
Yeah.
When did I do that?
You complimented my head game.
No, first of all, Munchie made a statement about.
No. Don't blame Munchie. Listen, don't blame. Don't blame Munchie.
I'm sensing some kind of.
If Munchie, listen. If Munchie has said that, normally you say, oh, but I don't think Angie, because it's Canada. Angie come from blah blah blah. You didn't say that. You actually agreed with her. You agreed with her.
Yes, because I was accommodating Munchie.
Raga, you see, every time you come on live, make sure you have enough rum cream in your head, yeah?
Say, my face.
Me like this side of Raga.
That's why I like that.
That side of Raga, I feel like I could just hold him and just haul him any boat.
You feel like you could have just what?
We could have just haul you any boat.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
any which way.
No, you have quite an active imagination there, don't you?
Oh, very active.
Yeah. Just you just all me any boat and thing or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Wait 1 second, time out. Suck your straw again, go on.
Mature.
Yeah. Suck.
It's done. It's done.
Yeah, but even that's the weak,
Because it's done.
No, but just the suck weak and thing and whatever. That's something that never sound inspiring at all,
You're going like you try to redeem yourself. You can't redeem yourself, Raga. You already say, you already say what you say since night. Don't even try.
You telling me, say me I try redeem myself. It's like an ant telling an elephant, so the elephant I try redeem himself. Like seriously?
Yeah.
You get a little moment tonight, but when we big up.
Of course.
When Munchie big up your lip, them I see how you run with it.
I agree with her. Of course, I run with it.
Oh, your lips that good?
Yes.
And you have that grippy lippy there for true?
Yes.
Okay. Is your head game? Rate your head game out of 10.
11.
Bombuck. All right, okay. And I'll give you 11 for your confidence also, all right?
Of course.
Ain't nothing wrong with being confident. If you know, you know. What's up? Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you know, you know. You understand? All right, you say somebody in our chat, them, she named Everdeen. She bad, but, very intelligent and people misunderstand her and whatever and thing. But look on her, you see her in our chat there? Everdeen, Avadean. Long time she a listen to Reggae, She know about Reggae, All right, more you look on her and tell me if your head game better than for your head game. You see her in our chat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, look on her and tell me.
I have to look at the whole,
Yeah, just take a quick look on her and just tell me if it's somebody who you think so. Say her head game better than mine or are yours better. Just a quick judge. Go and look on her.
I'm not going to cut off.
Oh, okay, she not going to cut off. She'll look on Everdeen. She'll check out Everdeen. What you think?
She's nice, man.
Huh?
She nice.
No, I say, what you think? Head game better than fair head game?
I don't know.
Everybody follow Everdeen. She vibes and she jiggy and she cool. So no follow her. A good girl and thing. But don't misunderstand her, you know. I'm more light and she was
Listen.
salon and putting her on a place and on a pass on a place. Is a classy woman, despite when she do a little music video, them and all them something. They don't misunderstand the thing. All right, so we are so right. And
Listen,
see the month she say everybody pretty. Yeah. Anyway, go on.
She's very sweet. I have grown to learn that although I am the very best,
yeah,
there's gonna come along other people who are gonna be as good as me. So probably she is.
So your guess is what? That she's as good as you, or are you thinking?
Yeah, she could be.
She could be, but you're not gonna say she better than you know.
I don't know.
You know. Okay. All right. Okay. So everything good out of way?
So far.
Are you behaving yourself?
Of course not.
Okay. All right. Cool. When last you get some?
Oh Lord. I think back.
Yeah. It's that
Friday.
long. It's
No.
Friday.
Yeah.
That's not bad. Friday's good. Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, today's Wednesday. You got some Friday. Was it good?
Of course. Listen, if it not good, me I cut.
No,
Like, get up,
sometimes.
pack up my cinema. No.
Don't listen
No.
to somebody call the show one time and did I say every time them start out good. Every time them start out good and them never pop down
Every
yet,
time.
no. No, go.
Listen, me not say me pop down, the other person might pop down, of course.
Are you did say
Then
so?
we
No,
get up.
are you did say so? Are you did tell us
Of
one
course.
time on it?
Listen, my sort out when me give never pop down. When I say feed them on a pop
No,
down.
no,
So the
go
whole
so. Nothing
experience.
don't go so. Nothing don't go so. Even the best of the best. Even Michael Jordan had several bad games. Nothing no go so. It's either
Me
you
win
don't
every
know.
game. Me win every match.
know. It's either you don't know where you chat about or you don't understand that shout and all them things. When me I say nothing no go so.
Okay.
Even the
you
best
say
of the
so.
best are bad sort out. What you talk about? Anybody who wouldn't know that time what they understand. You gonna tell
If
me
you
about
say so, Raga.
you never get a pop down sort out yet.
No.
Anybody who believes that them never get a pop down sort out yet don't know what a good sort out is.
Okay.
You don't know what a good sort out is.
I hear you.
You never get a pop down sort out yet.
No.
Alright, boy. I'm not gonna argue with that one. You kind of look like you understand what I'm going with that something. Right? You know, look like you understand. How you eat this?
Raga? The straw.
How you eat? Eh?
The straw. Me and them the straw.
You eat the straw? You hungry?
No, I have a I have a thing for chewing things. For chewing plastic.
You have a thing for chewing things.
Yeah.
Okay. What? I'm just saying. You explain yourself, that's all.
Yeah.
All right, Mama, big up
See,
yourself.
Crackton, I love you so much.
We Craigton one. We're Craigton. Let me see what Craigton.
You don't have to worry about that.
Nah, for worry. What Craigton. Anyway, big up yourself up there, you know.
Yeah, man. Call a bite way.
Wait, who this? I can't even. No, I see somebody say Raga beg some salt. Well, I see somebody say Raga beg some salt out. Or somebody say, I will bright it of coming at the chat when I look at Cavi. Bad girl Cavi, man.
Of course.
Yeah, one Cavi, never two. God. Anyway,
Coming alive, Cavi.
Anyway, big up yourself, yeah. Oh, one
too,
line, stay away in there. Yeah, let me see something. Oh, me there looking for him Cavi in there, but I'm coming and then. Well, let me see me can bring. Let me see her, me bring her up, you know. Let me see her in there. I want you to do that something again, like if you see the person. Ruth, you know, today know your birthday. Happy birthday to you, you know, Ruth. Big up yourself, boo boo. For your shubo dear. And today your shubo dear. Hold on. Stay away there.
Yes, correct.
Oh, no, the young person. We'll touch right this one.
Yo, what big boss?
Yeah, well under.
I want nightmare one.
Eh?
A nightmare
What?
see you there, man.
No, but nightmare, well under, you can't just mute look a bit, then make me talk to Kavi here and Angie here.
Good night, Raga. Didn't you catch me sleeping last night again, or the battery dead?
No, the battery dead and think of them come see and me and say, John, when me want come in, bring in Kavi and thing.
Why,
and
thank God.
Kavi, Angie they on the line too, you know.
Well,
Hi, Kavi.
Hi,
Kavi.
I'm really.
Kavi, when you look on Angie picture and hear her talk and whatever, Kavi, me know you keep it 100. Me want you just kind of just rate her head game without even seeing her get head. Just rate her what you think, say, out of 10. Look on her and...
I go by sound. She sound like she's a 9.
Kavi, me lose her for you.
I go by
Me
sound.
take that, Kavi. Me take that.
Kavi, oh, you give her so much?
Cause she sound like she exciting.
No, man, she's a tree.
She sound exciting to me. Remember me like girl, remember the girl like girl sometime, you know.
Me know, but I true you hear her the straw, you get confused and thing with the straw trying and thing.
I did talking me here, man. I did talking. She sound like her talking sitting turn up, man. That the head game turn up, man. She sound exciting, man. I have to give her props, man.
You make Angie
me the cat say she never flap out yet.
No.
Then you say a lie, she tell pan her mouth and her front.
Well, she
not lie.
Two
things me not do, Raga. I don't lie and I don't fake.
No, people are delusional. They're not telling lie because the delusion is a truth. The delusion is a truth for them, so you're not lying.
Oh, Jesus. You're gone, Angie.
Run away.
Run away. Stand up to him. I'm not going to tell you nothing. You're up.
Teacher, teacher.
You know, see that Raga head of school one time.
When I teacher off a war and come back with punchline and all these things.
You know, see, my head game now have no game, but I'm still there.
Yeah.
I remember my gag reflex on my friend, you know.
Right. Angie, you know, see, when me did that tell Kavi about, listen to me, man, you know, you're my big sister, you know, you're Kavi, so, hey, I don't want to hear that, Mr. Sar.
Oh, tell you about Angie talk about brother.
Yeah, but
brother put 2 moves on him.
Yeah, Kavi just take it to me right. I'm full of punchline and all these things and things. I say, you know, you come here so with the strong lip, them we just lay down like them in a coffin.
I got to say, talk up to him, Angie, because the lip them stand up strong. That's why I head game up.
A coffin lip, she have.
You know, the lip them cock up like a batty.
No.
Exactly.
A sweet pepper lip them she have big and no pepper in
like
them.
Yeah. Firm and strong.
Oh, you know about the kako? Oh, you know about the kako?
Because I have pictures.
What?
Me not go on our page.
You go on our page?
Nope.
You never see a full picture of me, Raga?
You can just tell.
No. You can't just tell from she talk like she have a cat batty talk. Well, she have a cat batty talk.
Don't worry, Raga. I'm going to send something your way.
She have a cat batty talk.
Yes, and in her face, her body look strong.
Raga, may I send something your way?
No, honestly, you know, me never see her with her body. Me never see her.
There you go. May I tell you, she look like she have a strong body.
She look like she have a strong body.
Yeah.
Yeah. But remember, say which part she live in? You know, she's in Calgary, Canada, and them wrestle moose up there.
I don't know what Canada do, you know. I don't know what Canada do on that side. I don't have a clue.
Somebody from Canada do me something really, really bad, and he just takes it from all of the Canadians. For what reason, I don't know.
I'm just talking.
What the Canadian them do?
But me not saying that's why England.
Kavi. The woman them up at Calgary, they wrestle with moose. You know one animal named elk? One big old thick animal with some big...
Me never see... Me there Calgary, 17 years and never see one yet.
So she...
You know what yourself, Angie, you tell him, say, yes, you wrestle with them, that's why your body and your lip pack up, so firm and strong for anything you get. You never flap out yet. You're
coming full of chat. Yeah. Oh, you don't have them chat there. Angie.
Listen,
deny no.
I am listen. I am a calm, gentle soul. I'm more into actions. I'm more
You not
into
deny nothing,
actions.
Angie. Not deny nothing. Anything him say, so go you spin it right back on him. That's why me look so. Me
So when you
find
say
anything.
Angie, when you say a silent river run deep, don't.
Yes, I can show you more than I can tell you.
Tell you.
So why you throw a word from Kavi for all that dropping?
I mean, if you tell your cash, because I should know me.
No.
Yes, Kavi. I throw a word for your Kavi.
No.
Throw a word for your. You talk and whatever. Throw a word for your Kavi. Neatly, I shared you. I shared you neatly, Kavi. I shared you neatly a while ago.
Take your share.
No pay him no mind, Kavi.
You want to share the Angie.
Everybody have them own style.
Men don't know how the shading and the drop and the drop word pan Kavi dropping and thing. It wasn't necessary. It wasn't necessary.
The big stone lick me down, you see, Raga?
Yes, me see it. It flatter you a while ago, you know. Yeah, it flatter you a while ago. Auntie, are wicked. Look how you did that. Look how you did that. Look how you did that defend the moose wrestler. Look how you did that defend the moose wrestler. And she just goes to boom and kick with your foot. All
you only start the truth. You know
everybody have them own style. My style is calm. I mean, just show you whatever you want to know. And Kavi's style, she just tell you how it is. I mean, I have mouth like that.
Me tell you,
my mouth only good for one thing.
If you like Raga, then me I go show you too.
I have to show you.
Yeah, if you like Raga,
me can't tell you. I can only show you.
The name forgets me not in a Raga.
Yeah.
All of 20 years down the line, you will remember me, you know.
Really?
Guarantee.
Of course.
You know what? I mean, I can't where you buy out the argument.
Jesus Christ.
Where you buy out there, you jump in for.
Me not to go for your Angie for your
jump in one jump to the phone and box off the hat there for your head.
Angie just that one do. Me not take up your backside. Take that big stone there.
Yeah, cause she just kick where you look at foot them and thing and whatever and thing and whatever.
You get licked down. All right, here we go.
She wicked. She wicked.
But yeah, man,
still love you though, Kavi.
Man. Now forget me.
Well on, Angie, what you mean you love Kavi?
Me say me still love her.
Angie, let me tell you something. Can you not look like you understand? Kavi a bad girl, you know, and
I know that.
She said the girl, you know, will. You know.
I know that.
That Raga needs to know me. I'm the bad girl. I'm the girl. I share the bad influence, everything bad on me.
Right.
I know.
So you're there, whatever this
you don't think me don't know that?
You can't stay there. You can't stay there, whatever this and that. So if Kavi goes to say to you, say, Angie, we are dealing with a threesome. You that ready?
With you?
Sure.
Yeah.
With you?
Long time.
Well, so all the 230 room from me.
Exactly.
No, Angie, I learned
exactly.
to.
Who else would it possibly be with?
Kavi, you know, see, I want now a while ago. She did not go do the usual, you know. She did not go do the usual, you know. And when she hear you say, with you, you know, say, you snappy and you know, you combat them good. So when she hear you, she say, and then you say, with you, here and yeah, with you. I saw she jump in, you know.
Very well, Auntie. You're doing very well.
Yeah.
Come again, make him come with
Thank
the
you,
next
Kavi.
back with the stone again, Kavi. I tell you, no, the two we flatter same way, you know. And I know Raga can't flatter. Come in there, you lick me down.
No.
Lick me down with that one, because that two.
You see it, Angie, and
one
if
bag of
Kavi,
mouth.
you see, Angie, you see, you go lick down Kavi, and if Kavi ever lick you down, you know, I think you could manage it.
Why not?
Angie, you must talk my kind of language, you know. I know I can lick down about, you know. It sound good. It not sound good to me, it sound good to the girl.
It sound good to the girl.
Yes, the girl love them something there.
When you say look a licking down and go on down.
Me tell you, the girl love them something there.
Yeah.
And she want to hear a program on me.
Yeah, lick down your clot down.
She want to lick down Raga like a blood clot. I'm if you tell you. The girl want to lick it down Raga.
Hey, you know, I'm not drink no more beer when I come here and I say,
Don't drink up. As a matter of fact, full the glass again.
I'm if I tell you, Angie, wait till we, hey, Raga, you know
You
what,
see
the
how
one
fast?
we talk,
No,
you know what,
continue.
the one
No,
we tell
no.
you.
Raga, continue. Continue, Raga, continue. Continue, suck the straw.
Rag. I see
No,
big stone that.
no.
No say nothing.
Me never did a suck the
No say
straw.
nothing, Raga. Just keep it moving.
Just
That's your big
continue, just
stone that.
continue.
No, but I wasn't sucking the straw.
Yeah, but I hear a big stone that, mister. Just keep it moving, man.
Okay,
You say if you continue. Fold the
Cavi,
glass
juice,
again. Fold
Cavi
the
say,
glass
juice me
again.
there, say, kiss me, baby.
I lie. Come
Juice
to
me there.
media.
Juice me
I
there,
reckon
never.
no one give me nothing to say. You might as well come. And where them juice media?
Cavi, you can't kiss good?
Me not do them something there.
Oh, yeah, I can't remember you saying that kiss.
Forget.
Okay,
I don't know if you can. I would even know if you tell you. Say.
With Angie, you can't kiss good? Are you a good kisser?
So I've been told. Even that are the only thing when I
Hey,
have
Angie, no
confidence,
flap out for nothing, you know.
But I have been told that I'm a great kisser.
You're a great kisser, okay.
I'm probably because I'm not a fan of kissing. Why I don't feel like,
Well, she has nice lips anyway.
If you were to give us, if you were to tell us something that would give us
Oh, it's not like 65.
imagery, not one. Oh, that go.
It's not like 65, sorry.
No. Pilar, you bright in the blood clot. What you mean? What you know about Cavi? Don't do that. Don't do that, Pilar. Right? Because you can't have a name like that and I tell somebody say them sound like 65 with a look of peely head or your Pilar, whatever this and that. You're bright. Leave my friend alone. Right? Pilar. Peel with yourself, whatever. It's a peel a junk or Pilar. Right? Love my friend Cavi. Don't do it. Don't do it. Cavi, your boy defended you, girl. What's up?
I know, right? But you know what? You what me want. I don't want to defend from you.
Jesus God, me did I try.
You know what? No defend.
Me I try to get little mileage out of that, you know.
And that me want.
I try if you get you say yes, my
and
brother,
that
you
me
defend
come over,
me.
you come back for. Every time me come, me no want no defense. Please and thank you. I want them not go watch. They not go. Yeah, them not go ever cover.
No, man, me need if it be like Angie, you know, and be popped down one time, I make the card empire, I draw the card empire.
Angie only pop down in her words. And that's all right.
Wait, you say what?
Angie only pop down in her words.
I agree with that, because she pop down when she wrestle them moose, then I fling them a ground, and I wrestle the elk, them and I fling them a ground and thing.
Never
she pop down them time.
You up yourself, yeah, Angie never flop. And I want
thank you, Cavi. Thank you, Cavi.
Lie. The woman said she never flop. How dare you, sir?
Me already say, me there Canada 17 years and never see a moose or the other one we are called.
Listen to me.
Some people really put them things for them art and craft thing, you know, like them.
No, but Cavi, you never listen. You see it? When she did that talk and I said that a while ago, you never did that listen clearly, because if you never hear the look background sound.
What background sound?
What
background sound?
Cavi, when she did that, I said she never flap it. You never hear the sound in the background.
No.
You never hear when our front. You never hear when she say it. Our front say that's not true. You never hear.
Jesus Christ of mercy, God.
Yeah, when she did that talk about her, said she never flap it, and you never hear our front in the background said that's not true.
No.
Una not listen, man. Una not listen the background sound them when the people them talk, man, and whatever. Una not listen and pay attention.
We must buck Raga one day, you know. We must buck Raga one day.
And what?
And bring you to your knees.
Yeah.
Bring you to your knees.
I don't want to bring you to your knees, no. Me want you stand tall. Very tall.
No, Cavi. You see, because me not pick up nobody off a ground. So, no. Making up on the knees, that better. That way, when you drop, you know how far if you drop a go.
Mental. Yes, that's why
Listen, man drop on me already, you know, me not do it again.
Man do what?
So.
What you say, man drop on you already and what?
So, as I said, the closer you are to the ground, you better for the two away.
No, so being and serious, Angie, you really believe say you could get a gangster like me and come up on a chat, but go up and get me.
But you're not gangster, Raga.
Hold on, and get me on my knee when me no want to go on my knee. You know, she say you're delusional for
Listen, Your body will have no other choice but to your face.
Kavi. This is the shit I'm telling you about. Kavi, talk it truth. What you think about that statement there a while?
Listen.
Kavi, not even you talk, sir. Not even you talk, sir.
My
Kavi,
opinion is
when your body in that state, Raga.
Angie, Bill. Kavi, even you when you talk and you're forceful with your thing and whatever, you always say what you are gonna do. You never yet once say, Raga, when you come round me, this are gonna happen to you and whatever. You never once say that yet. You just always say what you want. You know, she say Angie delusional. It's a Canada thing. Them not righted. Yeah, see there.
If you say so.
Man.
sorry.
Yo, hold on there. Me they tell you what it happened to me at one beach named Bluefields in Westmoreland.
Probably, but me not remember. What the story?
Them I am for host one big dance on the beach. But I first me I go to the beach, you know. All right. How the beach stay is like when you come up at the gate, you have to look down upon the beach, down at I see down where the scene. But when you look down upon the beach, a big bush you see, you know, but it's not bush where you can't even walk through. Nobody not walk through the bush them, you know. It's some thick kind of, it's just really thick kind of swampy place like. So you have to walk on one road to the side of the bush, them go down to the beach. And then you take a left, and then the whole beach, then you can't walk away down the beach. But that big, something there, a bush where you see, nobody not go through. Anybody who come from that from over the know me at all. So at the first me go, you know. So when them time they, you know, sometimes when you go somewhere and you go work, you know, you don't really want kind of out in a crowd yet, you know, because, you know, people them go, you know, you have to go start work early when you don't want to work early. So me I walk go down, you know, but me I hold it on the side. So they say bush there, so you know, you have to walk go down and then hold it left, you know. So when I reach down to the beach now, me look at thing, pull on my hat in my head and I stay close to the bush and I go down, you know, because I don't want to go out on the beach. So I stay close to the bush and I go down and kind of mask and I want to go down and I can sit down in like a look backstage and chill and rest. Look. And you know, so when I go down and I walk close to the bush, I go down, you know. One big woman, you know, but she barefoot and I think she not barefoot, that slippers or something. And she was dirty, you know. And she in a bush, you know. And I walk, I go down. And I just feel like every hand just grab me. When every hand just grab me in a bush, and I'm frightened here, freak. And I look on her, I'm like, what? And she's like, you know, then she has to take off your clothes and thing. I'm say, take off what kind of clothes and whatever. Here I know, no. Shut up and make this happen.
Yes, we had a story already.
Shut up and just make this happen and whatever. I'm frightened here, freak and whatever. I think I'm gonna jump out that bush and start make up nice and the people at them say she not too righted and thing and whatever, you know. But that was my first experience at the famous Bluefields Beach in Westmoreland, I think. Yeah, Westmoreland. Mm-hmm. So that remind me, you see how she not Kavi, you see how that woman never told righted? Angie that.
Well, one night.
That's okay, Raga.
Well, I make we hear Kavi mix up, yeah.
One night, somebody trail me, you know, Raga.
Trail you from where?
Story a while ago, I know this, so me could even laugh. It's like me traumatized for life, me I tell you.
Whoa, what happened?
Me go road, go look, me smokings about 11 after 11, maybe to 12 the night. And
is this in London?
Yes, walking back home now.
Yeah.
The person across the street, it's a main road in it, double side. So me see the person across the street with them bag or whatever, I walk. Opposite that, like me going one way and them coming.
Wait. Well, Angie, I do too much in a phone, man. Bumbuckler. That be a nice year making there and thing. Go and talk.
I was putting on my seatbelt.
Yeah, go and talk.
Yeah, so then me I play my music, so I see the person cross the road, like they're slightly behind me, but me can see it, like, you know, that word, the vision, the vision. Peripheral. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
That word there. Me can't see out of that, so me see the person cross the road. Not pay no mind or nothing, still I walk about my business. Then my spirit feeling in my body, so me turn on same time to see the person turn back. because he meant to be going the opposite way, and me going down and him going up. And him turn back, he look like him spot me from across the road. And turn back. So when him turn back, no, so me see the plane. There's no going around it. So same time, no, me go up on my phone and start pretend like me dep on the phone with somebody and I cuss and whatever, making him accent to hope so that scare him off or whatever, you get me? That never work. So I continue to walk now. So the road with me have to go down pan now, dark, I was a night and I by myself, Raga.
Jesus God.
Walk. So I swear to the man them I walk come down my side. Come stop out of the road. Come this time not turn down on my road. And him walk past me and go down in the dark part under the tree. Them in the look alleyway part this I wait. He say if me I go walk past, I realize I stop. But when I realize I'm down there, so me I go. So when he walk past me and then down at the bush, the man literally wait for me, Raga, without no fear or nothing,
Yeah.
He not hide it, So me not for that pretend that me dep on my phone. Like me I talk to somebody. Then me lean up and they look a column. And they walk back out at the front and look. And me see the man again. I'm go back and go like me dep on the phone. See me dep on the look a column. And then I make a shot, Raga. I never run so fast in my life. I tell you, I never know so you can run to the breath left your body to Raga. Me run for my dear life. Not a look back. Me run. When I mean breathless. Can't catch my breath when I reach the house. All me dep and I run and say, Father God, please bring me home. You can feel you not have nothing left in your Raga for run. Nothing left in the body. Cause the adrenaline feel everything. Nothing left in my body, no breath, no strength. But me say me push on, I run. I never forget the night that the man scared me to like me. Him traumatized me. Me walk road, all Jamaica, me walk road late at night time, 2, 3, 4 o'clock at night, I see you, me come from,
Well, but you know in our area, so nobody know.
Yeah, but you understand where I come from. So me used to walk in road a late night, I'm telling you. But from the man they scare the house, I mean, me not do them sitting there again. It's not a nice feeling, Raga. So me sorry, me couldn't laugh when I tell the story because them sitting
No, me understand that and thing. And you know, but you know that we men, like I say, like we often really don't understand that that kind of constant anxiety and trauma that women have when them are walking a road and all of a sudden the road get lonely or one man look funny or sometimes we don't really appreciate how constant that is, Yeah.
Me not the coward type, trust me. Because me did try stand up to him the night to me see me did deliberate, me see how turn round behind me. Like there's no guessing or you understand where I come from? I saw you. And I saw where you were across the road. But you say you cross the road and it actually end up behind me when you cross the road. All right, China, may I come? My side is ready for me.
Yeah, the boss ready, I know.
Yeah, the man scared me the night, man. Like, me don't know why men do them something. Like, hey, me I tell you, say, me don't know Raga, no disrespect, but something wrong with man, Something wrong with man. The things
well, with that,
I agree, Kavi.
Yeah, with that thing,
I say men, but not all,
But
very few good ones. Very few, not a lot of good ones. Very few.
Crazy Raga.
Well, I don't know about the very few. I don't know about the very few.
I would say very few.
Exactly. That is just something a Canadian would say.
Lady or sir, whomever from Canada that offended Mr. Ragashanti, please step to the front.
Turn Ragashanti's world upside
and get him
down.
over him trauma, please. And
gotta have a special
me
curse
come
for
from
you.
Canada, I'm a feel on a pain, I swear.
But you're the two like on the sound like prayer. On the sound like prayer warriors. When them pray for somebody, the two like prayer warriors I pray at the same time for some.
Raga,
them need to feel it. Them need to feel it.
What?
Whoever upset you, them need to feel it.
Cookie man says a Canadian give him bad Jojo. Where she must know. Yeah, she must know. Of all the people who come talk about that, no, Cookie man stress.
No, but I'm
what? No, but what?
Right about now, a smart pum with the pan, No depend on bad juju.
Where is it? A smart pum, yeah. Oh,
Smart.
Yes.
Like the smart city we have come at.
Yes, no, that is what
Jamaica,
I'm
the
saying.
smart
Because
one,
remember, I'm telling you what they say. You have dunce bad chun chun, and you have intelligent
Right.
chun chun and whatever. So yeah,
Right.
big up
So,
the intelligent
yeah,
chun
they find the
chun.
smart one we want. Smart.
Mine have one of the highest GPA in town.
Hey, Lord Jesus.
Well, coffee shall learn now, you know, she shall come with
Listen.
punchline now. Shall learn, man. Shall
Angie, me
learn.
like your style.
No, but Kavi, she
Cool
never
and
have that something
deadly.
there.
Me like your style, Angie.
Kavi, she never have that comeback punchline something there.
Well,
The first,
me like
the
that
first one that we hear out of her. All this time she sound like Marcia Goodas. No punchline. No, she did sound like Marcia Goodas. No punchline. Always just a defend the thing without any punchline. A while ago that was a good punchline.
Look how she learned quick. That's yeah. The woman really never flap it home. I believe her.
Thank you. No. Look how she learned quick. That we tell her say she not good like she said she was. And she just start learning, you know.
Whatever, man. She learned quick.
Listen, Kavi, make we just admit it and done. Make we just admit it and done.
That's who she come from Canada, man.
Hold on. Make we just admit it and done. Angie have a dunce bad pum pum. It's called school and never learn nothing.
Angie have a exciting pum pum. That's the vibe me get from her.
Angie pum pum never pass a class them and never get no subject.
Angie vibe exciting. Angie exciting pum pum. Cool and deadly.
Yeah. Right. You have degree, you know. Angie school and never stay in a class and them thing there. And go on a gully side, go and sit down with Movado.
So back
Raga.
Angie, we not a punchline, you know. We and Kavi, we just make up our punchline. But you see what you just do a while ago? You see what you create that GPA something there. I saw you for come and teach you a teaching.
That one did bad, Angie.
No, Angie, that one did bad.
But I told you that before.
No, Angie, you never know. Before you did boring and pop down.
It's memorable this time.
I tell you that before.
No, I told you before. You're just a bill. We don't even say a bill back. You're just a bill. You understand? Listen to, welcome to the growth. We see it, you know?
Okay.
You finally move from the bottom.
Okay.
Right? So we just want you know, Angie, we don't want you hype, you know. A one step on the ladder you take a while ago, you know. Okay, so nobody hype and things you reach.
I'm very humble.
A one step you take on the ladder a while ago.
That was very good. She deserve a 10.
No, man, no. The punchline, the bad like yours, you know.
She deserve more than one step. I feel like she get 10.
No, man, big up the IGPA, something with them. Them a go on.
It was that good that she deserve a 10, you know?
Yeah, man, Angie, what you say? A beer ticket, you're sitting and get no wrong bang around here.
No wrong bang. That's right. Them I get names out here. Ladies, wanna come up.
No, hold on, Kavi. If you know, I could come up with like some, you know, like we said, dunce bad chun and intel. What you would attack for the man them something, you know? How you'd attack in terms of the one them are good and the one, what kind of creative way you can refer to them?
Lord Jesus, you know that.
Me I put you on the spot, me know. But
yeah, on the spot. I can't find out. I want to go the side backside.
Yeah. No, but you see, you're like me, you know. Somebody can't ask if it create the thing. It have to come out when you have flow.
Actually,
Yeah. Yeah.
But I wouldn't know on 5 minute one. That don't mean that take 5 minutes. That take 5 minutes. No.
No, when it's a 5 minute man, them the 5.
Man,
5 minutes, a little bit of time. You can't bother with that.
Then that's on average. You talk like you know.
True.
No.
You're talking like a 5 on average. Go up on Google.
No, first of all, I'm a sample team one. Me a sample team one pop.
2.5 minutes for me, Kavi.
I'm if you tell you. That's how I would.
Let's go share the 5 minutes.
Well, Kavi, she on a roll right now. Kavi, she on a roll right now.
Angie, why would I say Angie?
No, Angie.
Kavi.
Oh, it's going to be foreplay.
Kavi.
A 2 away and a 5 minutes.
Kavi.
So we have to,
Yeah, she take the
we
floor.
have to just jump right in.
She deserve it.
Kavi, you know, see what I want?
She take the floor. She deserve it.
No, Kavi, we have unleashed a monster.
Listen, man.
We
But I've
have
been telling you
unleashed a
from day one,
monster.
I
Them not
am a
mild enough.
monster.
Them
I'm a gentle monster. A gentle monster.
No, girl is on a roll, man.
I mean,
You
them
know,
just
see
are
what?
coming very harsh.
Me I tell you,
Like,
yeah.
very harsh, darling.
Yeah.
Like you just
Yes,
drop it.
sir. See,
No,
you know,
I don't like Baileys. I don't like Baileys. What I'm gonna drink tonight is probably vodka,
Me not like
Bumbo.
Baileys, but me would drink anything Raga drink right now.
or maybe me just throw some vodka on my ice cream and just stir it up. Yeah.
Raga, you like ice cream?
I eat ice cream, yeah. Rum and raisin.
I like ice cream too. Me like
Yeah, okay. Can't work with rum and raisin.
grape
Can't
nut
work with that.
nice.
Spoken like a true Jamaican. Grape nut, you
Yeah,
think they
grape
don't?
nut is very delicious. I'm
Okay,
telling
yeah,
you.
yeah. You know, none of them whole heap of fancy flavor they were out the
No,
road. Yeah.
grape
Yeah.
with the nuts. That's me
Grape.
like
You like the nuts, right? That's what
the
you
grape
just said?
with the nuts. Yeah,
The
the
grape
grape
with the
flavor
nuts.
with the nuts.
Okay, all right.
Nice, like a bird, like that. You will look nice too.
Well, you say what?
Nothing. I didn't see a thing. I said not a thing. So I know me and the girl say you will look nice.
Yeah.
You know she not a behavior already, right? I don't know. Sometimes she too bored.
Well, you don't know, Raga one pop, one round.
I know 5 minutes
Yeah.
in the Angie done.
No,
5
no, no,
minutes.
no,
Yeah,
no,
we
no.
just-
I know
we just
5
share
minutes. No, I know 5 minutes.
Angie
We'll
done.
just share it.
No,
Time
no.
of date is already 2.5 each.
No, big and serious. Remember, we at this stage, I know we not like, me juice me that tell you, I don't be everything, me chump it. We know for pace with self, you know. We know for pace with self. No, a one round, but a one good round. So we know for pace with self, you know. Kavi, we know for those we not in a rush and we just a slide the thing, so and a slide the thing.
Raga, you
so.
not have to tell me
No,
no.
Raga.
Kavi, we not slide the thing and we just hold all the two
Raga.
batty jar them and
Raga.
dry it up and dry it at the edge and wiggle it at the top and thing. Kavi, we have to take it out and slide it to make it touch a little button there and box it up like it come back so and slide. We know that's something there. Come on now, Kavi,
Yeah,
man.
me
Be
know
your
you
blood
want to
clot.
Raga, you should
Yeah,
have
hold on.
Raga.
Angie, 2 adults
Raga.
attack, Bill. Anyway,
Wait.
yes, I was saying,
Raga.
Kevin.
Me see what you're doing now. Go and enjoy yourself, Mr. Ragashanti.
What? No, but me just I
Raga.
tell you, say, we are one round, but we are one good round, so don't get it twisted. Tell them not juice media. We are
Me know
not,
we
no,
read you already. I want to make a
Kavi.
people come over here.
Kavi, I don't know, young boy. We're not going in on a juke say when we was 16 and 17. You mad, man? We're not in on them something, man. We're not in on them
Raga.
something there. We have so much control, we can rest it at the doorway and make una push up on the hip, then push up on the keep up on the
Yes.
fuckery and thing and whatever.
Yes.
And we're in con-
Raga.
Kavi, don't you know?
One bag of racing.
Angie,
Let
2
me ask a
adults
question.
attack. Wait your turn.
Wait.
Anyway, yes.
Let me ask a question.
No man, Spain is anti-control.
Yeah, all right, all
Let
right.
me ask a question, Raga. Let me ask you a question, Raga.
Here you know. Don't fuck
Right?
up now, you know, because you're going on good now. So nobody
I'm
come
just
in.
asking
All
a
right,
question. I'm just asking a question.
Don't flap back yourself now, you know. Okay.
It's okay to flop sometime, but I never flop. So,
It's
let me ask
never
a
okay
question.
to flap, Raga.
Let me ask a question. Have you ever entered some living room where take you by surprise?
Hell yeah.
Okay, just leave it there, okay? Just leave it right there.
Yeah.
Just left it there, sir, Raga. Left it there, sir.
Kavi, I want to meet your
You
friend.
know what? Enter the smart city.
You have a plan where you going to do? Or you going to rearrange some living room?
Yeah.
And as they enter the living room, yeah, okay.
Yeah, man, that's happened too.
Okay.
Any man.
Well,
I'm-
let's leave it there. Let's leave it there, Raga. Let's leave it
The
right
living
there.
room are different plans for you, basically.
Thank you.
No, the running
You
joke.
can't plan. You can't plan for the living room.
No. The one the running joke we have for that was you know me love the foolishness, you know. So me used to say you have some pum pum they make it when you go in there you have to get the stretch out bumper clot. You know what the stretch out bumper clot is?
No.
Yeah, it's like you go in there and you say,
Oh, yeah. Hey,
Listen here.
Yeah, and so
no
when you're
hygiene, no
going there,
hygiene.
yeah, and
Oh,
I
we
catch
know.
your ear, you're like,
Any language them use it stretch out, yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. About when I'm bumble clan, have a stretch out man and thing. Nah, man, any man who the world and a juggle can't tell. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something, you know. As a man, me I tell you this, and me talk to other man and them go through it, you know. You have some woman, you know. You go in them living room, you know. You could have skill, look more and whatever, you know. You see, for your move, you go pop off.
Yeah.
You could have be experienced, look more. Them just have that something there. You know, come on, you know. But for
Why
your
you call me
move,
name, Raga? Stop calling me name.
no, I'm serious. Like, you know, I mean, I'm a virgin them talk about, you know, I said, John, no dog ever get onto, and them I say, yeah, it happened to me. And thing, and you know, and if you're not careful, the first time it happened to you, it mash up your head, you know.
No, you know I'm calling a 5-minute bird sleep wonder.
No, that's something different, though.
No, something different.
No, that's different. You have man who just take 3 minutes and 4 minutes.
No,
every
me
time.
not talk about that.
Listen,
A condition.
you see for the first time. You see for the first time, me will give you a one blind. Because you know sometimes you're nervous.
No, but
you
as
never
you start
expect it.
move.
No. But sometimes them nervous, them nervous.
Kavi, you not talk to your friend and tell her she's too hype.
Boy, the woman can back
Anyway.
her talk and see her look on the lips.
Listen.
Stop it, man, look at the lips.
All right.
Don't talk to you.
I will give you one blind.
What?
One. You see, if you come and you flop the second time, no, goodbye.
Second time,
nice
we give a chance against you. Jesus, Peter, come from Mad Men. Hey, come out of my kitchen. I beat up your back.
Kavi, you're not talking to your friend.
The first time is anxiety.
Kavi, you're not talking to your Canada friend or she hype.
Anxiety too. You have to give people a chance. Second time, him is not used to you yet. So anxiety can still.
So when you say after the third time, then you can say
then you're on your own. We can't help
you. No, 3 times. You have to get three round fifth. Somebody get used to good boom boom.
There you go. I was willing to give 2.
Yeah,
you see, because I
but it depends, though. It depends, though. If him just flap on all them things, you can't blame.
Thank you. I would that. Tony,
no,
thank you.
All right, then flop for me is not performing good. Flop for me is not popping off quick. You understand where I come from for the first time? Because that's expected. Do you know what I mean? That's what I always experience. Like, it's expected. As I say, anxiety and all of the rest plays a part. These are new people getting together and all of them stuff there. So flop for me is if you're literally crap. Like, you're no good. You don't know what to use yourself.
Right,
you know?
right.
But not for pop off early. Yeah, that's not flop because as you say, all kind of things can play a part, and that's what always happens. Anyways, I've never been there and experienced different ever. It's always a pop off quick, you know, the first.
Kavi, well, let me ask you something. If this sound right to you, right? So Angie, what you think more Angie talk about she want to put one for me, but she want to put one for 90 too?
Then I the lady like
90.
90 we always pass up a show?
Yeah.
90 for 90. Yeah.
Yes, Kavi, she said she want to sign out. She said she want to start out 90 in them new upstairs house. And that she said.
Raga, why you wicked so?
I want to come.
Listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
So Raga, if you can man.
Who come?
She mute. If you can manage me, Raga, why? Raga.
No, that actually look like me can't manage it for true. So
yes, Angie, may I come too? No, left me out. May I come too? You can't let me leave. Me coming too.
Again, you know, it's a like no vibes.
I'm coming for you. You better stay there. Yeah, look.
Who are look?
I have a headache now. I laugh too much.
But Kavi, me just find it curious, like, with your little self, you're going like say you're bad girl, like you can't drape me.
Yeah, me say Miss Angie flap me. Where you bother come for me for Angie done bust out my secret already, say me full of mouth. What's the problem? Woman lick me down with the big stone and me take it.
Yeah.
Me take it big
And after
stone.
they are defender and whatever,
Right.
one clutch with the big
Slap
stone
me
in
like a
your
clutch.
face
I should have put the
and
nail
bust,
right
yeah.
on the head.
Serve you right. Look how long your ragga they are juggling. You make crebe come mash up
Well,
with
you
him.
never want to give me nothing, so me have to sell you out. Cause look how long me have been give me money. What you talk about? Look how long me have been. How much money you have? What is enough money? Me have been arguing.
So wait there.
Yeah.
Member said 9 is 9. He never said 9. He never said. Oh, he said 9 inches or 9 what? He said 9 centimeter.
I 2 away. Now worry yourself, 9. We're bad like our.
Member said me listen back every show. He never said that. He never said 9 inches.
Angie, if all for 9 him have your lips them bad. Me a back up and you the full something there. Come, we're ready for 9. Come, let's go.
Let me have help maybe. If we can help maybe.
Angie, you know, or Kavi just style you a while.
Kavi can't style me.
Come, style.
Angie, if you don't listen carefully.
Listen, Raga just want.
Let look at Angie lips and I look at my one them.
Raga just want you to style me.
Me talk no man, you go like you know want me chat and whatever. Angie, Kavi just say, you and I are so and so, and Kavi say, me I back it up on it and then you can go and use your mouth and do
I said
it.
I'm back up. I'm the back
Angie,
up.
She said
Angie,
back up.
at that
She said
Kavi
back
say,
up.
at that Kavi say a while ago. At that Kavi say.
Yo, Raga still out, you know? Raga is still out.
I want to back up and go and
you're not listening, Angie. You're not listening.
Angie, back up and go on for the car. Raga got there for true. So back up and go on. Long time. Long time.
Man. See. Anyway, ladies.
Yeah, man.
No, I enjoy this tonight. You understand this? Hey, we need to have like a Bailey's night.
I will bring my vodka. No Baileys. I will bring my vodka.
No, you can't drink your vodka on Bailey's night. You know, it's nothing wrong.
I'm a white rum. I like my white rum.
No, but there are a lot of women over here. Them don't drink hard liquor, but them will drink local Bailey's, creme de la creme. Verbal expressions
The
are going to
milk,
drink
the
hard
milk
liquor.
is like
Milo might drink hard liquor. Milo, you drink hard liquor, I don't know. Baby Lips, I go drink Bailey's. Nikki, I go drink Bailey's.
I really drink Raga.
I tell you the people them who are going to drink hard liquor. Christina, I go drink hard liquor. Creme de la creme, Bailey's. Dr. Mac, Bailey's. Daniel, Bailey's. Cher, we drink. Did Cher say she drink Bailey's? But Cher is my champagne anyway, so. Kavi, you have to go work with that, though, you know, Kavi, yeah?
Yeah, mom, I drink champagne, so that's why I
no,
like.
No, mama does. I tell them I go and like said them.
Me jealous. That's why me know me not gonna like Cher because she champagne. That's why me not like her. Yes, I'm gonna drink champagne. Me not drink champagne, and me not like champagne. That's why me don't like Cher because me jealous.
Anyway, what you jealous for?
I rare me drink, and him nephew them.
No, you with me.
You feel me bad? You feel me love only for man, and rare, and him nephew them me drink.
Kavi, you when man talk to you, man. Listen when me say. Kavi, you have to go work with Cher, you know. You hear me I say?
No, because I don't drink champagne, so I can't work with Cher.
Yeah, when me say, man, when you come in and worry yourself, man, just leave that to me. Me make sure so
and let me go watch.
Yeah, when me say, man.
Like what, you know?
Yeah, when me say, then I can't watch all of that too, but yeah, when me
then me like her now.
Yeah, when me say, man, me I gotta make sure you drink what you like and make sure so she drink what she like. You hear me? All right, just
two different level of drinking. Nothing
wrong with that, right? And me I govern it and I take charge and make sure so the thing run on. We want everybody for happy.
Bring two buckle, Kavi.
No, when you
did right, that's what Angie, me and me harmy.
No, we don't want Ray come in night, you know, we don't want no Ray.
Ray and him never them at my harmy.
Yeah,
me harmy I come through
yeah,
for the last come me late. Oh,
the only Ray we are going to go on in our thing, no double now go depend on Ray day. Yes, what me say? Right?
You can't take off the double, but me and the army still come.
Nah, because the only Ray I go on and when the shelling start going and true a Jamaican one, I'm not going to say Ray.
That's a me. That's a be me. Remember, say we should
That's
be
gonna
a
be
champion,
you.
you know.
That's gonna be
A
you. That's gonna be
champion way
you.
more subtle, you know. So she's gonna be nice and lovey-dovey and you and all. Like, me, I'll beat out
You
the
mean
fuck
sure?
out
You
of
mean
fuck
say
you.
sure I gotta be nice and
Yes,
yeah,
and
because
lovey-dovey. Me, I gotta beat the fuck out of you, fuck you, yeah.
no, but you see you
Yes,
can't.
the Ray and him, they say me coming with the army.
No, but me I
Shot
say
the
yeah,
two back.
sure I gotta be gentle and thing and whatever. You're going to try
Right.
for beat so and so to me, but that not gonna work because I'm gonna grab you in your
Yeah,
throat.
I shot.
I'm gonna grab you in your
Like
throat
Jesus.
and shell you
Oh,
out
yes,
and
we're gonna do
whatever.
that. Say it again.
Don't worry yourself. You can't go on like you want to beat me and whatever because
Say it again,
when me see
Raga.
where you're up to and whatever and then me grab you in your throat and hold you back on your knee and bend you up and set you
So
and
bad,
send you
sir.
and whatever and make you understand yourself and whatever and thing.
She
After a
should
while you
turn
start
up.
apologize and thing and whatever. So me don't even pay no mind with that. You understand? Me just I say
Lord
you have to go work
Jesus.
with sure. You have to go work with sure. That me I tell you,
All
you have to
right,
go
me
work
shut
with
up. Me
sure.
hear what me that get and me like it. So
All
me
right.
shut up. Be able
And
to
then
say.
while me and you and Sher in the we're gonna leave Angie out a door with one cheese tricks and one popcorn or something, make she go and eat at the door outside and thing.
Raga.
Angie
Eh?
tell him to go make a movie. You're the cameraman, woman.
No movie now, make no movie now.
We play the song. Let's make a movie. It's gonna be amazing. Thinking about something turkey.
But Kavi, you sound like your auntie. You swear me I tell you. All right, you see how you just sing and what me I show you. You see it? You approve what me I tell you now. You see how you just sing something right there, now. If you ask Angie if you sing something right there, say you don't hear fart out her.
Angie for you.
No, say it to her. Say Angie, just sing a note.
Ray, bap,
Hold
OMG.
on.
No,
Angie,
it's
sing
like
a
a
note.
movie.
Angie, sing a note out of any
It's
song
like
and sing. And hear what.
44.
Well, on a Kavi, Angie, sing a note out of a song. A nice up it thing.
Can't sing. We can't sing. Me throat. I
You
hurt
swear
me.
me I tell you. You swear me I tell you. You swear me I tell you, Kavi.
You know, hear me a cough.
You swear me I tell you. You swear me I tell you.
Throat, Raga.
Look at me can't sing. Me can't know say a donkey voice me have. Right? A donkey voice.
Throat.
And if you say Raga, sing a song, I want it's all because
No,
of
want me
you.
throat.
I'm feeling sad and blue.
I know.
You
I
went away.
wanted to.
You know what I say? We can sing something and thing, but boring Canadian Angie over here
No, Raga.
can't even sing. What's that? Be explain like Marcia good as and thing. Kavi, you know, say you have the vibes. You know, see when me say sure, give me about that.
In fairness, still, you know, when I remember say Angie bad pan the mic, you know, so she would sing them time there. Don't worry.
No.
Exactly.
She not bad pan nothing and that man tell her she a tricky crowd.
Sing them time.
And that man tell her she a tricky crowd.
Canadian that hurt Raga's heart.
Right? A trick the crowd and don't want to and that year when me say, you see
Me
how you
want
can
you,
go so boom
please.
and you can go so boom and cue. Even sure when me
Pay
gonna
them a
talk to Sure
special
early.
visit,
Well
Lord.
I know. When me talk to Sure early, I say, Sure, give me back that voice and Sure will
I
just
know me hear her.
and you see how she run back your voice and make it sultry and make it sexy and make it inviting and just make it a little throaty and all them something.
Me know how me hear her, me jealous.
Mr.
So when
Angie.
the champion, me glad, because me know me not like her, because she named champion or Raga champion.
Yes, Mike mash up the throat.
But Mike mash up your throat.
Sorry, Angie, I will mash up your throat. That one there,
I could try again. Angie, just sing one note out of one song.
May I try.
Angie, sing one line out of one song.
What song?
Any song, we no business.
I don't know the song.
Jesus. And all caveat try save you and thing and whatever. You need to do something for yourself.
So come, Angie, let's sing together. Ragashanti, sleep your something in my tea. I've been off and
No, sing that. Don't
This
sing
way
that.
say caviar come. This way say caviar come in a song when me know. Caviar. Never put my hands in my mouth right
Kevin, nobody don't know that song. That song didn't exist. Yeah, wicked. The song no go so. No song
I
no
want
go
me
so.
thinking in my head. You know, sometimes it come out. Me tell us
Well on, you see what 20 people was in our chat. We lose off of your Angie. You see what I tell you? You see what I tell you? You see what I tell you? Yeah, you have that waste of time out there.
But the thing is, me never once me a singer. Me never once sing a tune for nobody.
She don't
Right?
sing for that kind of mic. She have a special mic.
Exactly.
Right, that's all.
Right? Me
Come
tell
like
you
him no want
everything
hear.
when me good pan.
It come like him no want
Right?
hear. Remember, she's
Exactly.
never flop. And you should never flop. Me always want you up, standing firm, solid as a rock.
Kavi,
That's what me want you.
Kavi, you have a stew peas, oxtail, steamed fish mouth.
Correct.
Right? Angie, she have a dry bull amount. You understand what I say? Dry bull and thing. I mean,
You know how bull and pear nice? Dry bull and pear nice?
Right,
When I
that's all.
sweetest thing.
That's
Anyway.
something know me that go good to her, you know.
But yeah, correct time about him still a hold it for Angie. Correct time you side
you
eye
mean?
you know. A side eye you. Anyway,
Roxy,
still.
don't worry
Ladies,
yourself. We decide for bam. Well, you don't know my style already, Roxy. If I'm a come on, I don't know what time of day it is. But as usual, him now give me none. Some next time again, me go keep and try again. So you don't know. And that me come for do. Try me
anyway,
luck.
ladies, I
One
want you both to know that I enjoyed this hangout tonight.
And
I
I did
appreciate
too.
it. All right. It was real while it lasted.
Hey, you who know me so Kayla? You know me love chat so lot, Jesus. Not even no offense, not taking, darling. Me do love chat for true. I gotta big up yourself, you can talk to me.
No, Kelly, I don't bright. It's me run the show. Okay, if me want to stay there and chat, then chat.
Good night, Kavi, darling.
Offended. She never tell a lie. I wanted a big stone that lick me tonight. I'm feel holy.
No, it's me run the
No,
show.
that is
Me still love you,
No,
Kavi.
no, if Kelly I go on
You
me make you stay till the show done. Don't
Tell
play
Kelly
with
say me's a happy person, you know.
me. Okay, those
Love chat, express
See?
myself. I'm happy.
No verbal expressions. When I want you encourage Kavi them way, they don't do it here.
Thank you very verbal expressions.
They just do not want you to do that.
Remember say, you know what, as a matter of fact, me I change my tune, cause him say him a come to England at some point, you know. So all right, my brother, me will see you when you come to England. You're my big brother.
Oh, that is so nice. You actually say it, brother, big brother, and thing and
Yes,
whatever.
my big brother. I will see you when you
Yeah.
come to England. You will
No, man,
forever
when I
be
come
my
to
big
England, man, I link you, man. Now, if we have
Right,
dinner
my big
and
brother,
lunch
we'll
or
go have lunch,
something.
my big brother. Yes, my
Yes.
big brother. No
I'll
worry
take
yourself,
you to
big
dinner.
brother.
I'll take you to dinner. I'll take you to
Right,
lunch.
that's on my big brother.
Right. I'll take you up. My treat, okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
someone will believe in that incest differently still. I mean, I know about you.
What? Come on, find phone. Come on, find phone. Come on, find phone. Come on, find phone.
Set me down.
No, it was going good just now, you know.
Set me down.
Yeah, man. I say, all right. Angie, boo.
Bye, Raga.
Angie, big up yourself.
Gonna
All
be
right,
church
boo-boo.
meeting. You see, me I talk about Staat and then me have church meeting to go after.
Yeah,
okay.
Go on your church meeting and thing I want it. Because I know where you are going to end up to think about in our church there and thing. But any day God backs you.
No, there's a time for everything, you know. There's a time to think about that and a time not to.
All right. Well, on which church meeting you go them time of night? Yeah?
On Zoom.
Oh, Zoom? Oh.
Yeah.
But still, yeah, which church meeting upon Zoom them time of night? Yeah?
It's 6:30. It's 6:48.
Oh, where you are? I keep forget. You're 3 hours behind. Okay, fine. Okay.
That's so much? 3 hours.
No, you're 2 hours behind, right? That's
2 hours, yeah.
Yeah,
2
you're
hours.
Calgary, you're 2 hours behind, right? Midwest. Okay, cool. All right then, good. But you gone, but in a church meeting, them church and and thing or whatever, but you know, so again, them 2 hours behind, so at them time, then them do them thing, you know. Beer is done, you know. I drink no more. And I drink no more beer is and whatever, I'm going easy, you know. All right, any mix up on that. Hello? 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 I don't know, I'm in tarrying, you know. And I tarrying, dog. Nah, forward. Master Good as me get the chisel and the hammer for you, yeah? Just send your address, me send it for you. Again, Master Good as me have the chisel and the hammer for you. Just send me your address, you know. DM me your address and I send it. Double lock, wagwan.
I love this side of your raga. I'm not like Bailey's, I'm a number one. Raga, I love that side of tonight. I'm push the book one side. I'm hello. Hello, Miss Hello, me Raga, nice tonight. Raga, you draw my attention in every way tonight. I'll go get some more Baileys, please.
Mom, you're nasty, this all go.
Raga, and then you gonna have it two of them, Angie and Kavi, with no good, none at all.
Jeez and peace,
and when you got two selection, you got shoot. Jesus God.
You know,
Raga, me hot.
if any cavity all under a look of smoke in the night, it would have done, you know.
Me I tell you, no, Raga, me I tell you, and then the baby got itch and panner, baby in a itch and panner, Kavi, let go loose tonight.
Yeah, no man, you can imagine all the
My body feel like heat tonight, and I me that drink like a Baileys. Can you imagine? I love this side, Raga. I love it.
Hold up. Are we having a disconnect here? No. Because we were all just joking, you know. I don't know what you're talking about, you know. Because
well, I'm talking tonight.
You're speaking as if you're in heat. We were all just joking for the record, okay?
Raga, I'm having a heat tonight because it feel like me did I drink the Baileys where you did a suck out.
No, me never suck out nothing, you know.
Where Raga do you use suck out that the cup suck through that the straw then. Anyway, I'm not gonna
go me want you fix up your talk, you know, because people when I scroll through TikTok, you know, them always...
It look like me did that drink. So then that me feel like I did that drink the Baileys.
No, but me no want nobody else go through the For You page and go here say, Raga boy, you did that go on when you did that suck it out, you know. No, me not fix up your talk, man.
All right.
Remember say me a Raga with the innocent. Me a Raga with the innocent mouth, you know.
Raga, you read no. You read like you read like
man, Raga.
You know if it's suck through the straw real good.
You need to stop, man. You need to stop because I don't know what's all this.
Let me be out. I did that drink. Maybe out.
Now, you look like you did that drink, you know.
Roxy, me no eat and no eat. Raga, me say, I feel like me did that drink the Baileys. My body have that eat the inner me.
Sure. Yeah, don't.
Yeah.
Like the vibe.
You are drink the Baileys and me, I feel the feeling. That's how I feel.
Well, I have to be careful when I agree with you, because you kind of vacillate, you know?
No, I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not going to pull you out. I'm not going to draw you out.
No, because I have to be careful that I not end up agree with something that I'm not guilty of. Because 1 minute you sound like, oh, we're festive here, and the next minute you'll be like, yeah, Raga for real, you know? Drink the Baileys.
Whether you make anybody want to drink any liquor, I'm sorry, none of my house. I swear to God, no.
You don't have liquor Baileys?
Nothing.
Right?
The last me drink liquor.
For real?
Only thing me drink are some we call the sparkling wine me drink for Thanksgiving. I'm not drink no liquor.
Well, you know, I'm not a drinker, you know.
I am not either, but why when me see you with that Baileys there, I feel like me not even want, me need some.
Sure. Because you want a Baileys mood, don't you?
Yeah, man, more feel that. Baileys, when you drink, I don't know about some people, it might not do them anything, but because I'm not a drinker, when I drink Baileys, may I tell us it give me that nice heat. Then it's when me drink Baileys, me can't drink Baileys and go in my bed me alone, you know.
For real?
It doesn't work that backside off my body.
No, man. Baileys is I mean, me there I do my thing tonight.
No, I'm not saying you.
No, but me just I said Baileys is well, you have some people, you know, them just smell liquor and them get nice. Them they never drink it, you know, so and thing. But for people who drink Baileys, it's not you know, it's not even really a get nice liquor, but for some women, them drink I know women drink Baileys and
when Daniel say it get her mellow, I saw me feel
yeah.
Then my body when me feel right this so. Where as me say, I can't sleep alone.
No, but you do have women though who drink Baileys and them want to tear off your clothes off of you know, tear off your clothes.
I am one of that person that if you let me drink Baileys, me I go in our setting so prepare. I am that type of person.
But you know, we in the Caribbean we say lime. Well, the Eastern Caribbean people, they're the ones who came up with it. I that is almost a Baileys, which for Jamaicans back in the day was Tia Maria, you know, brown cow and thing. But it's just like a chill and a nice. You see what Kavi and Angie and I were in, right? You know that Jamaican something they, for some people them have to drink white rum and them. I feel them think that, you know. But for me, it's a glass of wine or some Baileys, and we get in another mood where you just get playful and whatever and things like that. You know?
Yeah.
I like that something
Around
there, you know?
somebody and we are set a tone or set a little, you know, a romantic vibe. Wine is not for me for that vibe. Me could drink some Bailey and add a little more rum in it if possible with some nice ice, crushed ice.
Oh, that are your little vibes,
Yes,
little
rather with
romantic.
2 candlelight down in the room.
Baileys with a little with a toops extra rum in it and some crushed
Or a
ice.
little Appleton in it.
Okay.
Crushed ice. I mean, I tell you, we laugh all night and we giggle and we tickle and we play with
Yeah.
everywhere.
Yeah,
Or we can go into the bathtub with little water.
yeah, and then we start get touches done.
Salt and thing and
We start get so 23 says she bored for go drink some Baileys with look rum in it. You know that. You know what that mean for her.
yes, me know
You
me
what that
can't
mean?
drink it.
Yeah, because she's a damn freak. 23, that girl, you know. Nothing about she and her man there. She should drink some. Don't believe she should drink that and not do nothing. She and her gentleman them go on with something and thing.
So well, and Daniel, you never have the giggle and tickle yet while you're under your Baileys. Ooh.
Yo,
Man,
you know say, well, all right. You know say, older men, not young boy. We find that sexy when women get in that giggly mood.
Yeah, man.
and even though we are things say, yo, look at something can go on. It is not a rush thing, it's a fun thing. But you know, when young boy, when woman get giggly, all I feel in mind is she just dry around and shell her out.
Man, tired and roll over afterwards.
You know, but it's when a woman get giggly, it's time for fun and to be playful and to
even after you still giggle and have fun, you know. You know, just drop asleep. You're not gonna do the thing till you're well tired out. You're gonna just I look at vibes. Lord man, memories. All right.
Older men, when my colleagues who are in my age group and thing, we like that when a woman is relaxed and, you know, uninhibited and you have fun and you joke around. That little something that go on or whatever, but the idea is not, oh, you shell out this and tear up this and done it. You know, it's like, oh, we're in that mood. Let's have some fun and make the thing stretch out for all hours or whatever, you know. You know, man, you know, sometimes you talk to the youth, the man say, you know, some women would appreciate it. Oh, you mean, man, oh, you drink 2 liquor and thing and whatever, this and that, man, you put it on her. No.
You know, I never experienced older man. I don't know.
Wait 1 second. Big Mac, the next trip to Ghana is in April, and you should forward. Go over to TamFamTravel.com because we have some more spots on the Ghana trip. Okay, there are some people who were coming and can't go anymore. Family, this and that and whatever, and things. So anybody who want to go to Ghana, Big Mac, big and serious, man. Go over to TamFamTravel.com. The Ghana trip in April. Whoop, nothing, and you use a general in anything or whatever. Anybody else who want to come on the Ghana trip, the Africa trip, I'm telling you, when you come with me, I know me, I'm telling you, I loaded one at some point for go Africa. If you're Jamaican, affiliated with Jamaica, of Jamaican descent, of Caribbean descent, affiliated with the Caribbean, the best country for you to visit first in the continent of Africa is Ghana. And you're hearing it from somebody who has been to Kenya. You hear it from somebody who has been to Tanzania. You're hearing it from Raga who has been to Ethiopia. I go all of them African countries. I tell you, Ghana are the thing, right? In terms of its cultural relevance, in terms of its feel, in terms of when you go there and the places them when me go carry and whatever, it's going to be life-changing and things. So more people come on that Africa trip there. I do it every year, and it's in April. And if you want more information on it, go to tamfamtravel.com and just click the Ghana Learncation. Again, tamfamtravel.com, 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 and check out the Ghana trip. Information on the Thailand trip for next year, December, is also there. So now check that. But Big Mac, big and serious, man, forward. And if anybody want to link me directly about it, link me at 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. One more time, 516-500-0210. And back to the giggly double lock, Tracy. What's up? Yeah.
I like that one there. So I see when I always go on a trip them Raga, I like sound really enticing. But it really I go more for, the
Thailand. Yeah.
But I don't know yet what can go on.
Yeah, man. Thailand is fun.
April too quick. I'm just start a different job, so.
Yeah. It's so good, It take time or whatever, You know, if a rush thing like Cookie Monstress,
Nah, rush, but Raga, none of your trip they're not supposed to miss, but.
No, it's all good. It's all good. Me just tell you, say, if a rush things
fun.
like Cookie Monstress, if a rush things like her.
Raga, I'm gonna ask you one question. I was discussing this today. Have you ever have eggnog that you purchase that comes with alcohol in it?
No, they do sell it.
And
Yeah.
I always put rum in my eggnog a year time. Me never know. I always buy the turkey ale and put little more nutmeg and some rum in there.
No, a lot of people do that, but they do sell it though with liquor in it. Yeah, they sell it like
So
that.
them here, so me have to go look out of my eye if me can see that, cause
Yeah, no man, they sell it, man.
that.
I mean, here in New York, you would go to these stores where you have these people, these little companies, small business, will make them and them, them contact stores or them know somebody. So you will go in these random stores.
Me not go liquor store, so me wouldn't know Aldi's.
Yeah.
Do Aldi's, so me try BJ's.
See, people them there, yeah, man. No, let me tell you something. Nowadays, if you can't think it up, it make it out there, People, it did like, in terms of products, people have them out there, man. Yeah, man. And say eggnog a proper Christmas drink and whatever. So say somebody gonna put look alcohol in that and buckle it and sell it.
Yeah.
Everything buckle now, Everything buckle now. Well, and say some pastor a buckle here where them say them sanctify and sell to congregation.
No, but I go this Raga.
So so them do it with water though.
Yes, me have
Okay.
an aunt where she says she a spiritualist and she sell holy water and whatever.
Yeah.
And
So them pray over the water. The term is you consecrate the water. And from its consecrated water, it's supposed to be able to do all kind of something.
the olive oil is the only thing I believe in. I grew up in and believe in. I get the olive oil blessed from the pastor and you use that in your house. If you pray over your house, you put it over your door, window, children, whatever, this, that. That's the only thing me not believe in. I know what. Well, yes.
So wait. So you believe in the olive oil?
Yeah, I grew up in the olive oil.
No, hold on. I'm not asking where you grew up in. So why? So because you grew up with the olive oil, you believe in the olive oil. So you believe in
Yeah.
where you grew up with, right?
Yes. Straight.
All right.
All I mean, I've been to a church where them tell you get a bottle of water, consecrate it, open it and drink it right there up on the spot, and them tell you carry it home and sprinkle it in your house and whatever.
Hold on. They make you drink consecrated water?
Yeah, them get it on the spot, consecrate it for people and give people and tell us drink it or carry some, go home or carry it.
What do you mean? It in our water bottle or something?
One of the Poland Spring bottle or the any kind of bottle water. The bottle one that is not open.
Right.
They'll
So,
tell
them you bring the bottle water, the
Bless
Poland
it.
Spring, them pray upon it, and then after
Yes.
them pray upon it, them say the water, the on the next level now, drink your
Yeah.
water now, and I want different water that you drink. This from when
Yes.
you bring in a bottle from a Poland Spring send out, don't.
Yes, I didn't
Okay.
tell you carry a bottle of olive oil or a bottle of water, come make we consecrate it and send you home, so if you do whatever you want to do with it. Yeah. I've been there.
Me grew up with the
I'm
olive.
here.
Me grew up with the olive oil too, you know.
I mean, since lately, me never get them to something at Jamaica. Jamaica pasta not really sitting there so easy. I mean, we usually get now and then the olive oil bless.
Wait. What you say a while ago?
I mean, so easy that. Remember, I know,
No, what you said Jamaica
well.
no. You said Jamaica pasta and do what with olive oil, what?
The water, not the olive oil. I'm talking. Me usually get olive oil blessed.
No, darling. Well, you're there, a long time you're there up here foreign, though.
Yeah, 13 years.
All right, 13 years? And that you got a long time?
Yes, Raga, me not that old.
Pick the top chat your foolishness, but you're there a long time and a 13 years. You're there. I want to hear that. I want to hear that. Listen to me now. You see what you just make me educate you now. You see the olive oil thing? That run thousands of churches in Jamaica.
Me know olive oil, but not the water, Raga.
Listen to me. The consecrated, sanctified water, that run, that even more common than the olive oil.
I must know, but me never get that at Jamaica.
No, you just never exposed to it. Me I tell you,
that's what me say.
Me older than you, and when from me I look a pitney that my mother, me don't know no parish.
Oh no, you remember because of Zion, wasn't you a Zion church?
Revivalist, yeah.
Revivalist, yeah. I'm a Pentecostal. I come from an apostolic.
No.
So them not do that to them. That's what I tell you. Apostolic,
hold on. But it's you go say them not do them something at Jamaica. That is what you say. You never said them not do them something in my church.
Yeah, in my church, from my experience. I've never had it till I come here in the US.
All right, somebody in the chat, Grace Williams said, if you have the option to get some from Diddy.
Lord Jesus. Why should I make Uncle D come after you and leave Uncle D friend alone.
No. Grace Williams, you're wicked.
Why she go there? Why you doing it?
Grace,
why you doing it? That's a different topic.
You send the girl go and get Diddy oil.
No, Diddy own the factory. Him have one oil mill underneath feed farm. We are calling him house.
You know,
and then property.
Did you wicked, you know? Can you imagine a man have enough oil for grease you down and for prevent you from
running? Why you go
when I have enough oil for grease you down and then enough for prevent you from run? Because if you run and be asleep, you sleep down.
Nah, like Raga, if him into me, I want him. I'll me down do you know? Alright, me go on later.
Well, you don't take some from Diddy?
Not some. I just want him and them look like a professional island. Make me come 10 times and come back and go and come back again. Him not have to go in.
No, but then come. No, well, from everything we ever do, he look like he prefers to watch.
That would is a Tootsie Roll.
Somebody is a Tootsie Roll, yeah. Jano and I behaving herself. All right, double up. All right, double.
You're gonna be back my book. Me have test tomorrow. I'm song me nah come back one next night and me soon now go on. So God.
All right, when you go some
bless up everyone.
Cool. I say when you have money, you know, and different something, you know, cause someone on a 50 cent and didn't get along for a long time, you know. I say 50 Cent guy make documentary about him there, whatever. You know, when you have war with somebody who have them money, you know, it's like them can just take a war upon another level, you understand? Yeah, man, 50 guy make big documentary about Diddy, man, and whatever, and sitting and thing and whatever. They don't get along. But Diddy did move to 50, you know. I want to put one upon him, you know. The way Diddy do him think him carry go shopping first. You know, Diddy move like a, yeah, according to them, to someone who probably know I see this up with them, but according to the people, them theme thing was to carry go shopping first and buy a beer name band thing, man, and carry home and then want to shell you out, you know. So I know if I look a young rapper, them in carry out, you know, and do all kind of things to them, you know. So him did move to 50, you know. He moved to 50 to do that, and 50 said, no, I'm not going to shopping with you, man. Go, man. And whatever, you know. I feel sight the rake and thing and go wide. You know, and then other things happen, but them not get along. But I feel him thing that, you know, run carry go shopping and thing and whatever. And then come and then shell you out for everything when him spend for you and thing, you know. But I brother the evil still, you know, I don't care nobody want to say, you know. Man, you know, in terms of some other thing or whatever, you know. And me, I one of them who still believe, say, that whole thing about the baby mother. And she did reach a point when she write the book and all them something there. And yeah, me, I one of them, me don't know if you're fact, me don't have no evidence, but me, I one of them who say, yeah. Yeah, me, I one of them who, me don't know, you know. But in everything where I do and whatever, I know him used to rule and whatever. And obviously, me a man where I have no qualms. I get certain people to do certain things for him, you know. You don't even too know certain little link, you know, with Biggie and all them look something. You don't even know what is what, though. A brother, they cool, man. Cool youth, you know. See it. Yes. Hello.
Nobody can know what they're behind them, you know, until they come in front of you. Just someone that open up to me now, I said, open up to me. Okay, so I open up. The man comes to the bike, sat in the give, go by first. Word, bigger! Word people. You know I must bigger! You know I must give my bike. And you come back and give me that take my bike, I bring my hair, I pass. You bring the gear, you know what bike come give me, brother? You never come out for my things. My bike come here, brother. You give the key, I want the key, come give me. What's your rock behind you, brother? When we cross that, give me the key, bro. Once you feel talking about that, you never see me come on my yard, come slow, I mean, I can't go to must talk. My boy, will make one out to me.
Yo, who there? Pretty than you. Wagwan. Pretty than you. Pretty than you. Answer your phone. You're the Raga show. Wagwan. Pretty than you. Who talk about bike and all them something there, so. Answer man, talk up. One of the pan. Wow, I wanna get so quiet. Wanna not talk? Pretty than you. Well, I wanna not talk. Couldn't did that talk up loud a while ago, you know, and I just stop talk, so I what? Yo, why you stand up there and listen for you and say nothing pretty than you? I will not set no example. All right, since you not answer, I'm going to come off and count and not answer. No. I don't know, man. Angie B73, you love the arms, see, but don't cut it yet. You love the drama, don't. Going down the line. Hello. 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 All right. Some people are not coming and some them people either them man accidentally touch a thing. See the TikTok do that thing there again. All right. Here we are going. I'm going easy and see if anybody come in within the next minute or so. If nobody no come, I'm good, you know. A tomorrow thing I do. Tonight, have a Wednesday night. And I want some water, you know. Feel thirsty. Some water, I do it in the night, you know. Daniel, where you going? When I and the cookie man said, Daniel, I'm tired to stay back at school for detention. I want to go home at school done. Jesus and peace. People can imagine cookie man just in a detention with fear teacher. And she alone in a detention. A problem that thing. Yeah, man, a problem that, man. Problem that. A whole heap of problem that. And you may teacher have cookie man just in a detention. I don't know, you know. I don't know.
Nah, no close, Raga.
What go on, woman?
Good night.
A good night to you.
Good night to the TamFam, Mr. Raga. I laughed till my phone drop out and me laugh since night. You and the doctor. Oh, you so bad, Raga. Raga, you wicked, you know?
Me, I remember. The man bring back a memory chip. The man bring back a memory chip. I remember.
You know I send me piece of Marcia did take away your memory chip. Marcia good as any man find it back tonight.
No, Marcia good as not good like that for take away memory chip. She don't have them skills. You know?
And the girl, so all the man find back your memory chip. No must Marcia did I did.
I don't know.
But God.
Probably can't.
Raga, when I time one people and I saw me set my foot. I couldn't move. Yo, the youth there, from the here starter, him a number one, him take your sure. Raga.
No, let me tell you something. Yeah?
Yeah, they must asleep, you know. If he's saying drop asleep because in the sound kind of eye still, you know, he must drop asleep. Nothing goes so what you say.
What?
What you did I say? Nothing. I mean you talk. Nobody not here.
Nobody not here. No, I'm gonna leave it for you. No, I'm gonna leave it for you to determine that. You know?
Raga,
the man saying bring back a memory chip.
No wonder the man say when you drop in a film bus, you know, no matter the bus empty, you know.
Bus full up right after Raga get, you know. Let me tell you something. And I don't mean this solely, I'm about to say something, but I'm going to use a word where people are going to think I'm talking about religion exclusively, but I'm not. Because the word is not. People use it, a lot of people use it exclusively for religion, but that word is not just for religion, okay? And the word is faith. And you know what we say in Jamaica, belief kill and belief cure, right?
Oh, yes.
All right then. And you say that faith something like that, which in religion, if you're faith-based, you don't need evidence. That's the word, that is our use. You don't need evidence to prove none. Just have faith and believe, right? That type of thing there. But it's used in general, and I would suggest to you people too that when you come upon people who hold what them hold based on faith, don't try to dispute them. You're not gonna get whatever, you know. So we had a situation where an individual was saying, "No, I was never there," and the other person is saying, "Yes, you were."
There, yeah.
and they're telling you all these details that you did and whatever. So at that point, my suggestion to you, when you come upon those people, let it go. If it's a serious situation,
yes, because you
just let it
can't
go.
convince him.
There's no way. Those people, it's not about being rational. It's not about, right, you know. But, and then, if you feel like it, and you want to enjoy yourself, perhaps you could just run with it with them and say, well, if it's
you deal with it proper, you deal
right,
with it clever.
right. Yeah, you know, but you know, there's a story, you know, that when His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie had heard that how Jamaicans were revering him, he just wanted to visit. So he did go and visit in Jamaica. I don't know if this is true, but there's a story that when they go up to him, one of them and say, and tell him, say, yeah, you are God, you know. You are God, you know. You know, them talk about Jesus, you are the Son of God and whatever. It is said that when Haile Selassie turned around and said, because Haile Selassie was a Christian, you know. No people don't know that, you know. He was a Christian. And Haile Selassie said to him, like, no, I am not God. I'm never God. I'm not God. Don't refer to me as God. Supposedly, the man responded to Haile Selassie and said, but what a man humble man, him a God, and don't even know say him a God. So what I'm saying is, when people when they believe something based on faith and everything in their fiber of their body tells them that this is what the situation is, you need to determine. It is futile on your part to be arguing with somebody who is faith-based in their conclusions and their assumptions and their assertions, and then insist on trying to get that person to appreciate logic. They won't. They won't. Because very often the faith-based thing is something so important to them on an identity level that them can't let go after it, because if them let go after it, they will cease being who they are and them not have nobody else to be after that. So them can't let go of that. So it makes sense. You're trying to argue with them people or whatever. And so, but if you happen to be running a show on TikTok, you also have the option then to say, you know what? Okay, I'm going to roll with this shit.
Raga,
Yeah.
Raga, you know which part in my story for me chip last? You know which part in the story my chip last and me couldn't find for me chip. Okay.
you remember Chico's a boob and get kicked out, no?
It ended up last in the story when you go say, and the driver used to wear tie, and he said, yeah man, with whole heap of school badge, like him and name out all high school and with the badge.
But of course he mentioned that before, so some, you know. All I was doing is repeating what I said before. And I said, see, now your memory chip come back. Oh my God.
No one cuss a bad word.
I tell you, man. No, I just found it funny when all I did was repeat what him did say before, and him say, you see, me bring it back, me bring back the memory chip, me bring back your memory chip. You see, I'm gonna make it come back for you remember now. That was hilarious.
The thief, your memory chip and hide it.
No, stop say that, man. Stop say that. Nobody master can't steal thief nothing from me. Yeah, master good as can't thief nothing from me. Right? Yeah.
Oh, God.
My buy her something for your Christmas doing.
Why you buy her?
On chisel one hammer for your football. For your football.
You go too hard for Marcia. No, you need to calm down.
She need a chisel, man. So I buy her a chisel and a hammer for her foot back, you know.
And then Raga, you see the drinking thing now. Me can't manage the drinking thing, you know. Whether beer, Liz, rum, cream, nothing, me can't manage.
What you do? What you get? You turn over or you get horny?
Anytime I drink alcohol, instead of me turn over drunk also, I me punani jump.
Jesus.
Jump like a frog. Yeah.
When you say you put on it, does a jump like frogs anytime you drink down?
Jump.
Wow.
Jump, trust me. So
Yeah.
me no bother trouble the alcohol because I might go jump and go jump on the wrong person.
Yeah.
And me no
Yeah.
want that and I blame it for alcohol.
I blame it for alcohol. Jump out of your baggy too.
So now that Raga,
Yeah, next thing you know, you have
Because
to run it down and I catch it back. No.
I tell you, enough ladies drunk and end up sleep with the wrong man, you know. And blame it on the alcohol.
I'm blaming it on the alcohol. Yes.
So
Yeah,
me not depend them something there.
that happened with
So
Cookie
me no
Monstrous.
bother
You
with
know?
the drink.
That did happen with Cookie Monstrous. You know?
Raga, me not follow you, you know.
Eh?
Me not follow you because you did make me run up and get done up. Right, bye.
Yeah, and she quotes the ANC. What you say? I mean, make you go run up and get done up, though.
Yeah, after me I take up with the people, them.
Yeah, you did a defend them for true. Me nah lie, you did a defend them. And them just turn around and come
Me I tell you.
Yes.
I know me no know what me do bad.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
them deal with me so.
All you know you did go, you run up and you did get done up. Though. Run up and get done up.
People put on a whole heap of things. Yeah, me say Raga go and take it in. But that's what me
Blessings,
say.
Yeah.
Him get the show for the year, for this year. The doctor.
Winder.
Nobody can wind and good. I drop asleep already still.
Yeah.
But me no hear 90 from when 90 have no service. Because me know I'm not have no internet. A service in
No,
put
man.
on.
When you're on TikTok, you can see some people who are also going live. 90 they go live. 90 they go live and they'd have one person and then that one person that come off and then it come off, you know.
Okay.
90 go live.
Good night.
90 go live all the while and just go live and talk to himself over there on him live, you know.
You're too liar.
Listen to me, 90 go live all the while and then sometime him get 3 or 4 women and when him get 3 or 4 women, him just start winding up himself all of the head tap and winding up himself on table and himself.
Why him name pan for him something last me can't see, me can't catch him one of them.
Eagle something. Eagle, somebody soon put eagle something. Somebody I go put it but it's eagle one somebody I put night chat, right? Somebody I put night. Eagle chicken, yes. Eagle chicken.
Okay.
Eagle chicken. Don't ask me what that means because it's 90, so it can mean anything. So okay. But eagle chicken.
Right.
So at this time there, yeah, man. But 90 go live all the while, man. 90 go.
Me never seen yet. What Chumpy a deal with?
Chumpy there, man. Chumpy in chat, you know.
Big up yourself, Chumpy, and the great cooker. Long time I not hear from him.
Cooker been in the chat several times too. Yeah,
you know, one girl inbox me. When I hear people, I think when you did gone, nano close, alien Raga.
Somebody. Yeah, no boss liberty and thing. No, tell
you. Just big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. All right, blessings,
just
man.
want to keep on doing what you're doing, you know.
Mad. All right, blessings.
No make the dirty people them in our chat spoil your joy. Not all of them because you have some nice people, but you have some boogie yaga kaba.
Yeah. Who? Like who? Like who you tell? Like Daniel?
Raga, you must. Them know themselves. Me not call nobody name. Them know themselves.
Okay. Now me think of Daniel. And Novelty are true.
Them wanna be it for 2 days.
Oh. How did you hear? How would he tell you?
You tell me.
Me tell you? I never tell anybody. I mean, Trace in a beard for 2 weeks, but I will tell you.
For 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Tracy. She said she'll give them a break. And you have enough people up here when winter come, you know, them quietly, you know, just give bathroom a break, you know, make nobody know, you know, and talk about me not sweat. So nobody not gonna smell me.
No, nobody can not be here for 2 weeks. Them tidy door.
All right, people. I look on the chat now. People, don't you know, say, when winter come, enough people stop beard. Look and see what I put in the chat. Watch your chat. Watch your chat. Yes or no? Watch your chat. You see what your chat I say?
Mm-hmm.
Facts. Yes, yes. Very true.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's true. Yes, yes. It's a thing up here, man. Them not really come out with it, you know. But
So warm water, foreign.
Yeah.
So why them not beard?
Because it's winter and them not have a beard.
Me not understand that. Me not understand
You don't
that.
understand because you're Jamaican and we were just raised say your beard regardless. Every day your beard, every day you brush your teeth. That's how we raised, you know.
So it has something up there, so winter you're not happy beard then.
They choose not to. But alien outside of that, you know, say social media bring out a whole heap of things out there, you know, because, you know, whole heap of people just, them do podcasts or them make video themselves or people, you know, so a lot of people share about them lives or them talk to people on podcasts, whatever. And
so Raga,
well, I know, listen this.
Yeah.
You know, say from what day, a whole heap of white people, them a come out, you know, by themselves, you know, them a come out and I say them something, you know, or them in a podcast attack. And them a say, no, them not beard. Them say them not beard, or one of the common thing from them like, no, we don't use soap. I never use soap on my beard. I see your thing. I ask people if I lie me. Chat, I lie me, I tell true or false. True or false. And what if white people have come out and them I said them not beard and them say them not use soap. Right? Them not use soap and rag. Yeah. See it there? Somebody say soap and rag. Like a whole heap of white people.
Me know people wanna use rag. Them chew the body wash pan in them and I just swap up them skin. So all the no soap work and the no beard work. So all the alright, 2 parts of you can smell real bad. Take out the mouth out of it. We know that. But the vagina and the pum as well and your arm, all that go when you're not beard for 2 weeks.
Well, the 2 weeks is me being stupid, you know, being funny.
All right,
but what I'm saying, you have people who don't beard. Them say why you beard? You don't need for beard. Or them say you must just wash off like once a week or whatever. There's people they're coming out and them saying, yo, there's 2 big well-known stars. You probably know them, Ashton Kutcher and what the other woman name again? Ashton Kutcher and what the other what him wife name? What them did come out and say, people? What them did come out and say? What name? Ashton Kutcher, what him one name? They only bathe 2 or 3 times a week or less. Right. Something like so them come out and say 2 times a week and them I say them no need for bathe anymore and than that and whatever. And one of the common thing with them now is that you just wash off. Where you use soap for, you don't need soap. And the way all we grew up, from we little bit, you scrub your skin, your mother, you rub under, you scrub your neck good, you scrub back of your ears good, and make me feel it. And that's how we raise. So hey, let me tell you something. When me did start traveling on the shore, me couldn't understand when me go in at the hotel, me not see a beard no rag in the hotel. So there were several hotels in Europe, and it only happened in Europe. And then I have to ask, like, so what the beard no rag there? And they would look at me with this bewildered expression, like, what's going on? It's only when I start talking to people, and I say, then dog, you know, say, through them not use beard no rag, them not put it in the hotel. And I was like, are you serious? Yeah. And it reached a point when I did that travel with my beard in rag because I know said certain them stop do it now because them give you the being rag, the middle one, and then the big one now. Because travel becomes so much more international. But for a long while, yeah, you see how the Mila Kunis, Ashton Kutcher wife. But for a long while, then me go enough hotel, me go in England especially, and thing, and in some parts of Spain too. And them not have no being rag up there. When they can them not use it.
So, Raga, me could never go 2 days no beard. Me no know if I true me use it, and me not think if me come a foreign come live, me I go adjust to that. Me nah adjust to that. Whether winter, summer, or any time, and warm water up there.
Yeah.
Raga, me sick like dog, and me decide say me nah be this morning. And me scramble and me go in the bathroom. And when me go over the shower, Raga, trust me come out back. It coming like me a jump out of the bathroom and me come out. Oh, my body just feel, you know?
Better, yeah. Cause the shower just kind of, that's something there. Yeah, for real, yeah. And again, it's all your race doing, Alien. It's all your race. Because if we did race, so we would have do what them I do.
Achoo, and you have nasty people out here same way, still no one beard. And when me say nasty, they no matter or nothing. Them just nah beard every day.
And then some of them now, I don't know, because Cookie Mantra, she don't use beard in the rock, she just use the soap, but she beard every day.
But bearding, you know, have to use it as well. Me say me know a person out here wanna use rock, then just with them hand.
So hold on, no, what I'm saying, Cookie Monster, she beard every day, but she not use rock, she just use the soap. So you think that is okay with her?
Yeah, that is okay. That is cool. You know, so me have a friend, Raga, she no use rag pan her vagina.
Most women don't.
Okay.
You never know that?
As what me I tell her, so me have a friend, she no use rag pan her vagina.
No, but I'm telling you that most women, most Jamaican women, them beard with rag, but them don't use rag pan them vagina. What I'm saying, you never know that. You never know that.
No.
Most Jamaican women do not use rag pan them vagina. Some do, them will cock up one foot and dig out. But a lot of Jamaican women don't use rag pan them vagina.
What? Me are the old school Raga. Me have to be every morning. Me get up to 6 and me cool off.
Yeah.
And exactly 6 o'clock, me drop in the bathroom. But you know, me not stay in the long. Me not stay in no bathroom, no half an hour, no hour. Me don't tell no ladies. Me not stay in no bathroom so long. Me no business who wants a patrol me have. Like the person what did say me have patrol. Me not stay in no bathroom no half an hour. What me a call?
You know, since you talk, she come in at the chat and she posts and she say, "Here we go again." The CM.
Lottie, she alright.
But Alien, a lot of you use rag pan your chun?
Yeah, man.
Oh, but do you know that a lot of some medical profession tell women that they shouldn't? Do you know that?
No, me never know that. But as what me say, me know a person who no use no rag pan them chun.
Right, but
me never know that.
Right, so I'm also letting you know, one, a lot of women don't. It's actually very common they don't. And then wash it good enough, but not with rag.
Yes, man.
And then wash it with a separate soap and all them something there. Or some of them based on them pH balance and them biochemical makeup and things. Some of them can't even use anything down there. But I also want you to know that quite a few medical professions say that for different reasons that women shouldn't put any type of soap down there. Supposedly, you must wash it, but don't put no soap down there.
That's why me say me use any soap down there, cake soap, any soap me use. You man a contact about patrol.
The one who they come
Strong,
to.
the whole strong. It's
Yeah.
not patrol, it's strong.
Yeah, she named Shanette. Yeah, she did night chat. Yeah, as soon as you attack and whatever, she run, come and think. She look like she hot for you.
Yeah.
No,
Shanette, nah.
no, because she not coming at the chat all night, you know, and as you attack and whatever, me see she come and say, here we go again. Me don't know
I
it look
know
like.
so I like me feel say she like me because if she not coming at the chat the whole night as me come on, she is up in her chat. I must like she like me.
Yes, Shanette front of the class look like you like Elaine for true. Elaine, she like you like her running, but here we go again.
Shanette where every car dropping a fear hole.
What? I swear to God, me go tell you something. I mean, now you think I lie, me I tell. She just post again. She say, you're all weak.
A strong is strong. That's why I use every soap. If you did weak, doctor that prescribe one soap for me, Shanette. You're brighty. Any I did weak, one soap me would have to use. One soap, but me use every soap and cake soap.
Yeah. And what you think? You think if you are something like soap or afraid of soap?
We are something afraid of soap. Soap. Anytime she use soap on her something instead of the fragrance down there, the fragrance only in the bathroom.
Listen
When she uses the fragrance, the body wash and thing, I just say bathroom get the scent, but
Just
not down
the
there.
bathroom
Yeah, but she not get none of the sweet up down there. None of it down there. Jesus.
None of it down there. And if me use cake soap, Shanette, the front smell like cake soap.
Yeah.
And if me use carbolic, it smell like carbolic.
And if you use good body wash, yeah.
A body wash it smell like.
You see it there? Yeah. Yeah.
Anything.
Hold on. Let me see where she posted and she said, come smell me. She say if I come smell her, she said, come smell me.
No, that we put on mask if you smell you.
Why? One Raga is
Shanette, come up in the box, Shanette.
And that if you do, Shanette, I could see if you can come up in the box.
Rub you.
Yeah, you're going like your internet bad girl and thing you down there in a chat. Yeah, she a chat room bad girl, you know, but she don't want to come up in a chat. Yeah, because you rub out that down.
And the rubber like come and put on the rub out the cake soap.
Yeah, you understand. Let me see she come up in the chat. She afraid of you, alien. She not in a chat at all. No, she not in a chat. Afraid of you like puss, man. The one Raga him is a disgusting Satan, you see. It's all
what
good.
Miss Long Island to go on with you? When last year from her?
She did come out and I threw out her pee chimney and it go over the neighbor them yard and them saw her.
Okay.
Yeah, she did throw out her pee out her chimney and it go over the neighbor in the yard. We were Long Island there and them saw her and things. So
she did she couldn't just go so and
Exactly.
She have to pick up her hand.
So she did a court now charged for something along the lines of egregious harm with steel piss, with careless piss.
And I bet you 2 nights, 2 days she not take out for her chimney.
Or a week, you never know. You never know. You never know.
Long Island, big up yourself, you know, girlfriend.
See you. All right, Elaine, big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself to Ragan, big up the TamFam, each and every one. All the one who I say, here you go again.
Yeah, Shanette, don't.
Janet,
Yeah.
big up yourself.
Yes, I.
All right,
man.
Raga.
All right, boo boo. Blessings, man. Respect, man. Cool. All right, let's see. All right, everybody, anybody who watch right, I know if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. All on who watch right, I know if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. And also, everybody, if you don't do a heart me yet, do it and thing. For those of you know how to do it. Just press the orange heart right beside my name on your device. Press the orange heart right beside my name, Ragashanti, on your respective devices, and just follow the prompts that will have you do what is TikTok calls a heart me, right? And that just helps the ranking on my channel over here, all right? So just do that for me. Marvelet, Nibs, big up yourself. Follow me, make sure you follow me, Marvelet. All right, Nibs, big up yourself. Welcome to the TamFam, the Tambourine family. All right, Shelly and Joseph, big up yourself. Right, I'm here Mondays to Thursdays, 6 p.m. in the evening, all right? And we juggle and we have a look of fun and all these things, you know? I said Nikki Kennedy, I follow me since 2008, though. Okay, then for Noah, big up yourself here, all right? Everything is everything, man. Respect and honor, man. Cool? See it there. TamFam to the world. Oh, and by the way, if one day I work on one listen music and thing and whatever, no, I'm not telling about it yet because we're not going to go to the main site and then we're not going to get confused. So, I'm going to be telling you in due course. All right, Maggot. No. Leave that alone. Anyway. All right, people, big up on yourself. Tomorrow I'll be back and thing, all right? Respect and honor, okay? Y'all be good now. And behave on yourself. Don't be a troublemaker like Ragashanti, okay? Because tonight Raga was indeed a little troublemaker and thing. And beer things going tonight. Bailey's I go drink tomorrow, you know, too, so we just never know. Because it's really Thursday night and Friday night, the Bailey's for drink, you know. Right? And for those of you with sub live, no worry on yourself. The thing I line up. Give me like 2 more weeks. I want to go see the thing set proper. I've been working feverishly on it and thing and I got ready in about 2 weeks, you know? Line up and all these things, all right? Big up on yourself, man. See it? All right, Caribbean swag, big up yourself. Everything is everything. That girl, Marcy Foot. What? Now, that girl, Marcy Foot. Boy, you disappear for a while, man. Now I go down. Zoe the large up. Kavi, good night, boo-boo. Good night. Well, for you, it's good morning over there in London. Daniel, bless up yourself. Yeah, one time from Daniel, make them know. Cookie Monstress, big up yourself, big up yourself. Well, I was going to say something, but then I forget. You don't wear underwear when you're home, so you're going to your bed now naked as usual because that is your thing. So, but be careful because remember in Jamaica, them say when women sleep naked, dope is at the moment. So it's your call. Okay, don't know what. All right, Cookie Monstress, so do your thing. Spiritually best. Raga, you hear from Queen Ash. Queen Ash is okay. Queen Ash is good. She's good. Yeah, well, Queen Ash, all right. She's good. All right. Novelet, big up yourself. Tamia Magan, large up. Jojo, big up. Right, make sure someone follow me if you not follow me. Nikki, I don't know, you know. All right. Blessings and respect, people. Everything is everything, all right. All right, what I wrote.